come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I never saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped. Now we planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. But to pay the way, man, it's my decision. Never been forced. Honestly, it's sick, and now they making claims. That is so insane. Talking about our chains, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big. Now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game. No questions, boy, that's it. I wake up and swear to God. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do
Chat,
not
what
know,
up?
Just what I want.
Good
So got me
morning.
low. I know they hate. I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care. Let's
All right.
what you did, or what you doing.
How you guys doing? Good morning, good morning. Welcome in.
I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all the hate, it don't work. We got the plan, no I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know.
All right.
Just what I want.
What's good? What's good?
I've been on the low. I do not know.
I do
Just
not
what I
know.
want. So got me low.
What up, family? What up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in. Welcome. George VDM is here. B21 in the building. What up, Nate G? Yo. What's good, everyone? Happy Thursday. Welcome in. Good morning, George Poe. Good morning, Z Gamers in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Traders X in the house. What up, Traders X? Nikola Tesla. What up, Zebs? Good morning, everyone. Adam 8 Figs in the house. What's good, Adam? What up, Richard Lewis? Wake up. Morning, Connor FX. What's good, everyone? What up, Xander? What up, Buzz Blab? Stephen B is in the house. What up, Stephen B? Golden Heart is here. Connor FX in the building. Frank Techa. What up, Engineer 14? Good morning, Martin. What up, Wiz Buddha? Good morning, or good afternoon, Energy. What up, Energy? What up, Yanosh? My man. Got a trade in the house. Good morning, got a trade. Good morning, DT Gamer. What's good? Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome in. Happy August. Brand new month. Fresh, clean slate. Yes. Oh, yeah. What up, Gregski? Good morning, Jason. What up, Ty Hill? Yeah, Young Pipper in the house. Well, Mr. Lopez. What's good? Who's ready for a new month? Clean slate, gang. OGH. Yo. All right, let me finish. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, do not hesitate any longer. Get in the free Discord. One sec here, chat. Let me send the Zoom link, and then we're gonna rock and roll. All right, where'd Zoom go? Boom. Okay. All right, man. You guys feeling good about a new month or what? How you guys feeling, man? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10, I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling like it's going to be a great, profitable month. 1, I have a lot to work to do. I'm very disappointed. at myself, and I really need to make the adjustments. Where y'all at? On a scale of 1 to 10. Oh, wow. Come on, be honest with me. Be honest with me. Really? Wow. What up, Wags? Be honest with me. Be honest with yourself. W. All right, let me send the Zoom link, and we're gonna fire away here today. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. All right, we got 1s, we got 5s, we got 7s, we got 8s, we got 10s, we've got 3s, we've got another 3. Yeah, man. So awesome. Hey, no matter what number you are, there's good news for you, gang, right? It's a new month. We got a fresh, clean slate, and treat it like a new year. A lot of people make these new year resolutions, they make these new year goals, but why not do that every month, right? Why not do that every day and keep yourself on the right path? So I'm sure those who have thrown out 2s and 3s and 4s and 5s and 6s, like, do you guys know what you need to fix? Do you know what it is? Right? If you know what it is, you have to fix it, man. You have to pay attention to it on a day-to-day basis. Some of you guys are getting lost up in that moment. Some of you guys are doing really well, and then something overtakes you one day, and all of a sudden you blow all your profits. Some of you guys are just you just don't have a playbook. You don't have a plan. You just chase volume, right? You really need to dial in. Hey, what is it that I need to work on, and work on it this month? Like, truly work on it. Like, do you really want the same thing to happen next month, right? That happened this month? If you do, keep doing the same things, right? Keep on doing what you're doing. But if you're not, then look, gang, there's some changes that need to be made, right? And again, we say it all the time, but nothing changes if nothing changes, and it's going to be on you. I can talk here till I'm blue in the face, man, but that's not going to get you to move, right? Only you can get you to do things, right? A man's going to do what a man wants to do, my mentor would say, right? It's got to be done, gang. It's got to be done. If not now, then when? If not who? If not you, then who? Right? So let's go ahead and pray, and we're going to get the day started. And we're going to rock and roll here, day 1 of August. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you. We come to you. We gather in your name, Lord. We thank you for a new month, Lord. We thank you for the months that have passed, whether they have been teaching us many things, giving us much wisdom, much experience, and intuition, Lord. We thank you that although when we don't see it, those wins are building up. They're stacking up in our favor. We don't know what you're doing now, but we will later. And we thank you for it, Lord. I pray a fresh, new wake-up call for those who are struggling here, that they would use this month to their advantage, that they would use this month to shine a light on their weaknesses and start to strengthen those muscles, Lord. So we thank you for helping us do that. We thank you for going before us this month, blessing us, blessing our families, keeping us safe, keeping us whole and healthy. And Lord, we just give you all the glory for what we have here and what you're putting together. We thank you for it. We ask that you bless this day, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. Amen, amen, amen. Let's go. Let's go. This is a word for you today. Clean slate. Time to make changes. Time to make some changes so you can get some new results. New results take new actions, gang. New results take new actions. I highly recommend you prioritize systems, and your systems will prioritize your results, right? Prioritize your systems, and your systems will almost guarantee your success. Just about guarantee it. Cool? So let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look at what we got going on here on this lovely first day of August. It's Thursday here, so we got what do we got ahead of us here? Let's take a look. We've got 8:30 coming in, unemployment claims rolling in same time as usual. We've got a couple yellow folders here around the US dollar, and then we've got PMI here at 10 a.m. So this should be a great day. We love trading on Thursdays. Should be a lot of volume coming in here. It's been a slow week, but I did get ramped up here after the stream yesterday and a little bit last night. So I think I've taken 3 or 4 trades since I've seen you guys last. Yeah, so almost no trades all week, and then 3 or 4 trades over the last like 24 hours here. So let's see what we got going on the technical side of things here. Let's do a top-down analysis, and let's see how we can hunt some positions here on gold today. All right, y'all ready for a breakdown? If you haven't liked the stream, do me a favor, make my day. Make my day. Give the stream a like. Let's reverse the numbers. Let's make the 4 here and then the 1 there. Yeah. Give the stream a like here, and we're going to do a top-down analysis. Make my day here, gang. Yes, sir. Welcome in, J Mac. What up, Dropout Trader? What up, Ayush? Good morning, Ben. What's good, my man? What up, AJ? All right, let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's scout some positions out and see what gold has in store for us here today. So as we open up the daily time frame here, let's talk about it, right? Because man, a lot has happened, right? So let's talk about the ranges here. We know that we kind of were pushing up, obviously, throughout the last couple weeks, and then we ended up creating some sort of resistance level. Let me grab this other tool. Let's use the yellow one. Yeah, let's use this one. Right, we created resistance. We also had support to the downside. This was basically the range that was built on the daily time frame. So we got the white range. There's obviously another support coming down here, and we can call this the purple range, since we've been calling it the purple range all week, right? So you've got the white range, you got the purple range. What separates them is this support level right here. Right, so paying attention to that support level, we can see that this candle here had closed below the range, meaning that we now had clean traffic to come down and retest this support right here at like 2360, right? So that was the goal. That was the idea there. You've seen candles come down, come back up. Big rejection to the top side, to the white range there, and then closed back below. And then this candle went ahead, did the job, filled the range, and now we've tapped into that support, and we were doing what? We began to push back up, right? So gold is predictable, man. If you show up day in and day out, in a way, you may not always get exactly what you're looking for in terms of entries and setups, but it's predictable. It's very repetitive, like it repeats the same exact things over and over again, right? So now we know we're back. We closed here back above, right? So we're back in the white range now. We're just about, I would say, 3/4 of the way through the white range, right? So there is still some distance to the top side, but you know, we're starting to reject here. So we need to see what this rejection's all about. What's the deal with this current daily candle? We know that we're coming off of a very strong daily candle right here, but for some reason this one's starting to reject. So we need to go down to the lower time frames, like the 4-hour here, and take a look and see what is going on there. What's those rejections about? So let's take a look at that real quick. So let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour candles have been pushing down here. So we did push up quite a bit here yesterday. We've been coming down ever since looks like Asian session. I did take sells last night that played out just money. And now we've closed with no bottom wick here, right? So this candle is now closed with no bottom wick, this 4-hour candle here. And what do we know about candles that have no bottom wick, right? Bearish candles with no bottom wick means that what does a bottom wick mean, right? Let's start with that. If you have a candle here, what does this wick right here represent? It represents what? A range, right? For the next candle to be able to fill. That's why you hear the term wick fill, range fill, and all that good stuff, right? That's a range to fill. So what happens when that wick is not there? Well, this candle goes ahead and says, hey, well, I got to fill the range, I got to fill the wick, but there's no wick to be filled, right? So the candle comes down, It's looking left or looking for a wick. It doesn't see one, and then typically now it's going to pop back up, right? And then that's why you always, or for the most part, will see candles look like this with a bit of a rejection to the downside, because homie came down and said, yo, where's my boy? Right? And the boy wasn't there. So he said, all right, I'm going back, right? So that's what he's doing right here. So we know that there's no bottom wick on this candle. Therefore, we may not push down on this current candle. The probability is a bit lower, I should say, right? The probability is a bit lower. Now, the next 4-hour candle can always come down, break the lows, and keep ripping, right? So let's go ahead and see what this 4-hour candle is built up of, so we can see what's happening on the 1-hour chart. So let's look at the 1-hour chart here. So you got support that has been formed, right? Again, going back to the daily, we're bullish here, right? So we broke the highs already at some point during, I think, maybe pre-London or Asian session. We broke highs, and now we're coming down to make a steeper bottom wick, and now we're beginning to pull back up, right? So what's the chances, right, if the 4-hour candle's closing with no bottom wick, that we begin to pull up on this daily candle here? The job isn't done, right? The job here for this candle, this current daily candle, is like 2470. So we can easily continue up, break the highs after making this steeper bottom wick, and then push up and, you know, up towards 2470 there today, right? Because we are bullish based off that daily time frame. So let's keep that in mind as we see this candle here close with no bottom wick. Maybe, just maybe, this is the daily bottom wick for price to continue up, right? And what that will look like is most likely you'll get a support form. This 4-hour candle closes in an hour and a half, right? So if we do want to say, okay, this is the bottom wick now on the daily, then you should see this candle begin to move up, close pretty strong bullish here, and then the next one begin to run up, and then, you know, that's right here is where your daily candle starts to flip again, flip bullish. So, you know, that would be my target for the most part, and then let runners go the rest of the way here. So let's keep an eye on this 4-hour candle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour. 1-hour did plant the support here at 2433. Let's go ahead and take a look. You got pretty clean range coming up towards 2441 now. So that's going to be about a 42 pip range, right? Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frames planting a celery. Everything looks pretty good, right? Pretty good to continue up. 15 has a resistance here, but the 30-minute looks super clean to continue running to the top side. So we'll see what happens here. But as of right now, this is looking pretty solid for price to continue moving up. And yeah, we should make our way up here. So pretty much what I got here today is sells will be, so we got a 4-hour bearish 4-hour bullish daily. So I've got sells below 33 here. If you can get closures below 33, let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, maybe more so like 2432. That's going to be where I'm going to look to take my sells, and then buys are pretty solid, man. If you haven't taken buys yet, this is where you want to take them. I'm already in buys here, so I did take the 30-minute celery. So we'll see how this plans out. Yeah, and that's it. That'll be the day. That'll be the day. So more clean buys are above 35 here, right? So more clean buys above 35, buys above here, and then that is it. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go break even here. For some reason, my trading view is not hooked up to my other one, but this is my position on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute celery play here to kick the month off, and we'll see how it does. Simple day though. Simple day. Simple day. $18 pips. Pushing 18 pips. So we'll see how we do. I'm gonna move stops to break even here, and then just let this thing run. So I'm not sure what the deal is, but I was trying to open this trade up on my personal account, but it's not letting me open anything here. So I'll keep this one up if you guys want. I got a bunch of Top Step accounts I'm working on here, so I'll keep this one up, but we got a juice box, man. Joseph. Good morning, Nikki. What up, traders next door? What's good? Yeah, this is where I'm gonna close some partials up right here, around 25 pips here. Anybody else take this celery? Lovely, lovely. Yeah, this is my trade. Yeah. W. Good job, guys. Good job. We should run towards I would say, you know, 85 here. Right around 85. Good work, good work. Good work. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stops and profit too, and just let this thing run. No top wicks, so I just closed 80% of my position there. I didn't call the trade. Yeah, I was in that trade before the stream started. I did with a micro lot. Nice, nice. W. Yeah, so I got about 24 pips on that one. Did I buy? I did, yeah. But we closed at no top wick, so I just closed my partials there, and we'll see what happens. My stops are a little bit in profit now. Hurry up and buy. Can you explain the 30 celery? Of course. Yeah, of course. So you had this 4-hour candle closing with very little to no bottom wick. You have a daily bullish bias here. Though 1 hour planted a nice support, 15-minute was creating, you know, a nice little range there as well. And then the 30-minute celery, I personally didn't see anything like there, right? Like this line here is built off of the 15, but I just put that there when I did the markup now for like any new trades. So before that, I was just pretty much focused here on the 30-minute time frame, clean traffic to the left, looking at this area right here to target, and I would have probably held it, but we've got no top wick here, so close 80% and then just let the rest of it go. Yeah, because you had a nice clean move. So basically from here, you had all this clean traffic. Plus 30 celery. Yeah. Yeah, nice rejection to the downside. It was good. It was good. I didn't say nothing. Yeah, I mean, I have to do. I'm doing the breakdown first. You know, no need to distract you guys and get a late entry. Hey, I thought all you guys are in it. I mean, 30 celery, bullish day, 4-hour closing with no bottom wick. Right, TK? July was 29 wins, 8 losses, 6 break-evens for me. What do I think? I think you're on the way to 8 figures, brother. I really do. Excellent, excellent job. Excellent job, Purpose. It looks like you're trading with purpose, baby. Wait, you guys weren't in that? Yeah, I put a buy stop right there. Put a buy stop on the break of the high. Trade I took on the 5-minute yesterday. Yeah, that was after that was at 3 p.m. FOMC. Where was that? What is 3 p.m. again? That's damn, how do you guys do this 5-minute thing, man? Holy. Alright, let's go to 1 p or let's go to 12. Alright, so 13 is 1, 14 is 2, 15 is 3. right? Or am I tripping? Let me bring the picture up. Let me bring the pick up. Yeah, we'll have a look at charts for stream very shortly. Yeah, let's take a look at this one. This one was pretty good. So I only use the 5 minute during times of high volume. So times like CPI, NFP, FOMC, those are really the only times I'll ever go down to the 5 minute and really look for opportunities there. So this was one of them. And this was, where is it? I know I posted it NY Sesh. Yeah, right here. Yeah, it was pretty simple. You had a closure below, right? Closure below the range. Everything looked good. I really wanted this on the 15 minute, but I couldn't get it. It was too fast. I was too late. So I waited for this first 5 minute candle from the 15, basically pushed down, right? And then it ended up closing below the range. There was a range right here. So basically, like, let's just pretend like it's right there, right? So there was a range right there. Waited for it to close, kept stops super tight, low risk, and took the entry like pretty much on the opening. It kind of pushed down towards here, went straight into profit, came back, and then just drove down. Yeah, I'll show you how. Look how close I came from hitting stops. Look at that. So this was the candle I entered on, right? That candle there. Price pulled back. This next guy came up, almost stopped me out. And then bam, drove down to my target. So I wanted to close some partials like a little bit before that wick fill. Yeah, so I didn't actually get my partials on this one, but this next one came down and hit me. So yeah, that worked perfect. Just missed my partials. It kind of looks like it hit it, right? Just nipped it and then pulled back, pulled all the way back here. I just kept holding it and then it came down and tapped. So yeah, that's the only time you'll ever really, and you guys have seen me do that plenty of times, right? During FOMC or CPI. That's really the only time I'll travel down and do business with those time frames. Yeah, so I'm out here at hit B here. So great trade. Let's get rid of this. Hey, what happened to my markups? Yeah, so that was the 5 minute one. There's a few more though. We can go over them. We'll go over charts for stream as well here. Check out my channel. I will be live soon. Awesome, man. We'll check it out. All right, let me find that other picture. Okay, so yeah, oh yes, so this was the exit. So basically, got out of that position pretty much perfect time. This is what it looked like on the way back up. So got out of that position right before the wick fill. I think I would have been stopped out after that. I forgot exactly where we went, but yeah, got in for that. The other trade I took was, where was it? This one right here. So this was another 5 minute move. So got in on this candle here and pretty much closed some partials around 40 pips there. And then this one ran for a little bit and then I closed the rest of it. Yeah. So that was another 5 minute position. As you can see, very low risk, right? Like literally was risking like maybe, I don't know, 120 bucks. And then I took this celery, right? And this thing was absolute money. This thing juiced, full target got hit, but I closed partials. I had, basically when I took this trade, I had Kingston on my lap, Alea climbing on the chair, Maverick like messing around with my PC, about to turn the PC off. I'm like, I'm out of here. But this thing ended up juicing, doing exactly what we anticipated. Yeah. AB Mike is yeah, I don't think AB Mike's gonna be here today. He might be here a little bit later, but not in the morning. Yeah, what up, YOLO Trader? Good morning, Louis G. Louis G was out there printing And when I mean printing in I like that. I like this. It's like a nice like swag to that, like printing in Paris. Printing in Paris. Yeah, there was another one I took as well, an Asian session. So I took this one in Asian. This was a 15-minute onion. So this candle, so we juiced up there in Asian. We had this candle close back below the range. There was a range to the left, similar to like right that like that. And you got yourself a top wick. Candle flipped, broke the low, went down. This one never really made a top wick, so ended up closing it right around these levels here. Yeah, so those are my last 3 trades. Oh, you know, and then this one. TK, what's good, TK? Printing in Paris. Today, London gang had a nice win. Yeah, let's take a look at what you guys did here in London. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and see charts for stream here, and let's get a look. So, who do we got first? We got Mr. Yanosh. Yanosh, let's take a look. Yanosh, is there any notes here? I believe there is. Had a 30-minute celery formed, entered on the second break of the high for extra confirmation. Let's take a look. So celery. Wait, celery? Inverted celery. Okay. Had a 30-minute. Oh, this is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, cool. So 15-minute time frame, but you took a 30-minute celery. Price got tapped in and then straight down. Yeah. Yeah, I guess all you could do there is wait for a bullish closure. Yeah. Yeah, I think your best bet here, is really just waiting for a bullish candle to close. Right? Once you get that bullish closure, then I'd be back to buys. Yeah, especially with this dude here closing with no wick. Yeah, that means the party's coming to an end. Unless another one steps up and says, "Hey, I'll start the party back up," then this may be your problem there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I mean the key is you were staying above the zone, right? That's big. But this is how sometimes you can also, like, let's say the fade position, because this looks more like a fade to me than anything. So let's say you attempt the fade here and it drives down further, right? And that's typically because that's not where the higher time frame target was, right? So it wants to pop down one more like step, one more notch, one more level, and then tap into target. So keep that in mind, gang, when you are executing on fades and stuff. Make sure you're really in the supports of the higher time frame, whether it be the daily or the 4-hour. Otherwise, anytime I lost the fade, this happened. We weren't truly in that support zone yet, and price pushed up and then kind of went down another floor. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the fade. All right, let's take a look at this one here. These are London sells. All right, so trade was based on the 4-hour being bearish. We broke the range on the 1-hour 30-minute time frame. Placed sell stops below the previous 30 candle. All right, put stops above the current one. All right, let's take a look. So sell stops here. Boom. Yeah, got stopped out. That's a great trade. I mean, outside of the wicks here, but did you say this was pre-London? No. What time is this? London sells. So I'm not sure exactly when, but you had some wick rejections here, right? But I don't think that would have really kept me out of this. I probably would have been in there with you, man, and took that loss with you. Yeah. Yeah, these wicks probably stopped price from moving down there. But other than that, I think that was a good trade. You had a 4-hour bearish candle, right? You kind of maybe anticipated this is your top wick, right? We've kind of tapped that zone 95 quite a few times. You're getting closures below. You've got clean traffic to the left, wick to fill. I like it. I like it. I think probability just wasn't on your side here. Looks like price started pushing down though again. Yeah. Yeah, good trade. Good trade. I probably would have took that loss with you. All right, let's see. Previous 1 hour candle closed at resistance. Okay, this bullish one waited to create a high. All right, entry on the flip once it broke. All right, perfect, man. Beautiful fade position. Absolute W. What do you think on this trade, Nick? Does this risky trade idea, or is it good or is it risky? It's risky good. It's good risk, right? It's good risk because you have an idea. Now, the only thing with this is like, so you have an idea, you close that resistance here, and now price came up, failed to fill that wick, starts breaking its own low, or maybe you got in on the flip, and then, yeah, price come down. So, yes, it's pretty much a fade position. The only thing and I like the fade, right, because, yeah, you can have tight stops, right? Because sometimes what's going to happen is when you take the fade, you're going to be, again, wrong here, right? Boom, and price going to want to come up to this level. Right, but if you have nice tight stops, then you're not risking too much on that initial. And by the way, when I take the fade, I usually go half risk, right? So I'm half risk anyway with a super tight stop. So now I have an opportunity to give this trade a second chance, right? In case this one wants to pump up and then start moving down from there, I could still get in that trade, right? I didn't blow my whole account on one position, right? I didn't risk my daily max drawdown. So keep that in mind. Keep your stop nice and tight when you can. And then if you do get stopped out, you can always give your trade a second chance when it comes up to that next level. Yeah, and look, if it don't pop there, then just leave it, because now you're probably messing around in a rally market. So that means price is rallying, right? So when gold rallies, it likes to rally, as you guys can see. You ever see gold just up all day, down all day? It gets crazy, right? So don't try and get that fade when you're in that rally type of environment, right? That'll just mess your whole account and psychology up. If you are trying to short, right, at a higher price, then when you're rallying, wait for a candle to close. Yeah, wait for a candle to close. Okay, good trade though. Good trade. I think that's all of them for now. Yeah, I'm sure we'll get some more in. All right, so I was in the buys here on the 30 celery, closed it. Now looks like we're coming back up here. So we have this candle with no top wick, so it doesn't really interest me in getting into another position before NY open here. So we're gonna see, probably gonna wait for NY open. We're already one trade in, so just gonna chill out for the next 15 and let the volume come to us. What up, Dominic? Good afternoon. Uh-oh, out of water. How is that? Can you explain how that's a celery? Yeah, so this void this right now, because that wasn't there earlier, right? That's your 15-minute resistance that got formed. So the way I looked at it was, you have a bullish bias here on the daily, right? You have created a lower wick. You have come down on the 4 hour to create that lower wick, and then the previous 4 hour candle closed with pretty much no bottom wick. Right, so we know that the probability of price going down is much lower than the probability of price moving up, right? So now you have a support formed on the 1 hour. Now that support on the 1 hour looks like this on the 30 minutes. So this right here is our pattern, right? This is our celery play, our booby trap play, whatever we call it, right? Where you have price look like this, bullish candle, right? Bearish candle. Boom. Clean traffic to the left. Support formed. Clean range moving up towards 41. And then our opportunity is to enter on the break of that high. Right? And that's exactly what you see on the chart right there, is this exact pattern. So that was it. Wasn't really anything too special. Just a regular celery play, right? If we go over to our playbook, right? Let's take a look at our playbook here, and let's go ahead and find it. Let's go ahead and find it. Oh man, this guy. 2 ads now. Who's this guy think he is? So yeah, so that's it right there. Right, let me get rid of this. Right, this is it right here. Right here. Celery play, booby trap. Right here. So that was it. What up, Davey P? Reggie Deggy? Yes, sir. What up, 3 Ants? Good morning. OGH. What up, Shelly? W. Shelly's here. W. Should make it so yeah, that's true. Yeah, I should make it that in order to comment you have to be subbed. I should do that, right? I think I should turn that feature on. In order to comment you gotta be subbed for like at least 1 minute. Wow, first trade of the month, man. Ah, baby. I love to kick things off with celery plates. Last month, we ended, in June, we ended with a celery play. June we ended with a celery. August, we open up with one. What up, Ty Hill? More subs. More subs. Yeah, lovely. Yo, Mr. Big Pip. T Cruz. That's me, man. Mr. Big Pip. Ain't that? Oh, yeah, we're juicing here now. So, look, 4 hour no wick. Next one right up. Daily. You guys see how simple it is when you put the puzzle together? Daily bullish, 4 hour no bottom wick, 30-minute gives you a playbook setup, and then boom. Rinse and repeat. Is the celery play my favorite? It is. I think it is, yeah. It's like the most rare, right? It doesn't come as often as the rest of them, but when it does, it has a very high hit rate. Charts for stream from last week. Nah. Oh my god. I'm in. Hey, why? What? I'm over here in YouTube live streams. Where did this come from? Yo, you know, why didn't you say anything? Oh, that was from yesterday, though, so I wasn't tripping. I just happened to be in the wrong room. Yeah, you see, I was stuck in, I didn't hit, I'm supposed to be here. Yeah, my bad. Yo. Did I re-enter? Nah. This is my position that I took earlier. When will we see Playbook 3.0? Maybe next year. Maybe next year. Right now we're just working with 2.0. Which is really just 1.0 with some added experience and maybe one more setup. Yeah, some people come by, they're like, yo, like, your new strategy, man, like, it's all, like, that's how I know they don't even watch the stream. Like, they don't even pay attention to what we're doing. They just hear about the hype, right? Yo, bro, the new strategy. I'm like, bro, what new strategy do you speak of, my G? Like, which one are you talking about right now? Please tell me. The new playbook, or dude, there's no new playbook. there's one impulse trade added to it. All right, let's take a look at chats for stream. Got a trade. Let's take a look at chats for stream. August 1st. All right, we're in the right place now. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's take a look here, Mr. White Shark. 15-minute onion after one failed attempt on the fade. Okay. Stop loss too small. All right, no biggie. Okay, Asian session pre-London. Previous 4 hours bearish. Current 4 hour made a top wick. Lovely. I like how you're putting that together and seeing that on the lower time frame. I think the webinar really helped a lot of people understand what's happening on the 30-minute time frame and how that reflects to the 4 hour, which is good. That was one of my goals. And then boom, fill that previous 4 hour wick. Yeah, so there's your 4 hour wick fill. And yeah, perfect, man. Beautiful trade. No top wick here. 4 hour new 4 hour top wick overall, right? And yeah, you see how the signs come together? Like 4 hours currently making a top wick. Then this bullish candle just happens to close with no top wick, right? This one rejects, closes bearish. Now you can say, hey, we've got right now what we can say is, hey, we've got that 4 hour top wick, right? So if the 4 hour time frame looks like this, the next candle is doing this right now, right? This move up is this move, right? So where he caught his sells is right, let's say right here. Boom, entry on sells. And you're anticipating this move down, right? Which will be what? Which will be the wick being filled on the 4 hour time frame. So that is a very simple concept that will make you a lot of money if you can understand it and wrap your head around it. So great trade here, man. Not sure if it won or lost or what happened, but W. Oh, yeah, it looks like you probably closed partials. Yep, great trade. Great trade, White Shark. Way to go, man. Way to, we did a coaching session yesterday, White Shark and I, who's an elite member, and he makes adjustments right away. He makes the adjustment right away. So absolutely proud of you, man. Big W. Big W. All right, let's take a look at this chart. This is going to be... okay, let's take a look. So we got onion or range 2 sells here. Okay, 4 hour close bearish pre-London volume time coming in. Beautiful. Let's see, 2 advantage point. Okay, advantage. Okay, advantage point. Playing to shift stop loss to current candle high if it breaks this level. Entered here. Okay. Entered here as onion and range 2 sells. Breakdown retest. Okay. Let's see. Same trade, right? Is this a very similar trade, or is that trade up here? Yeah, I think if you were going to take sells here, I think it was best to wait, right? Just wait for a closure below the range, right? I think that's going to be your best bet, because when you take the sell here, you have chop here, and you have basically choppy waters, right, on your way down, like right off the bat. It's like imagine going out to take a sail on your boat, and it's raining and it's windy and the waters are really choppy. You don't want to go out right now, right? It's like, you know what? Maybe we'll just wait a little bit, right? We'll wait for that wind to go down and the sky to brighten up and for it to be clear seas ahead, right? And that's what you got down here. Down here, you've got clean, clear seas, right? Very doable for taking your boat out. So I think in this situation, of course, you could have been in the trade for it to push through, but I'd rather not be in this candle, right? I'd rather let that dude do the work for me, and I'll get in on the easy peasy leg down, right? So just something to consider. Yeah, other than that, I like the idea selling off resistance. I just think you had a bit of roadblocks here, right, with these two guys, and then that's why price kind of turned around on you. Yeah, we don't want to go out in the choppy, windy, stormy waters, right? We want to sail nice, clean seas, and that's what I look at, you know, when it comes to clean traffic and how I see it. But overall, great onion off of resistance there. Let's take a look at this next one here. So let's take a look. It's got 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour closed bearish below the range. Entered on the 15-minute. Okay, perfect. Celery play, wick fill, W. All right, we're closing up here. 1 hour's already did quite a bit, so we're tapping into 41 here. So let's see. We definitely want to see how price does react here to 41, and then see where we can go from there. Yeah, let's stick on the 30-minute time frame here. All right, cool. So we got volume coming in. We just had a bunch of volume though pre-New York, so we'll see how much volume we've got for NY Open. I think news is coming in at 8:30, I believe, and unemployment claims. So we'll see what happens with that. And yeah, we'll sit on 8:15 here. Let's delete this. Did you place the trade on stream or off stream? I placed it right before. I placed a buy stop a little bit before the stream started, and then closed it on the stream. Done for the day with these two trades. Not a bad idea. What up, C Melly? What up? What up? First day of the month. First day of the month. All good. Two trades, pretty good. Yeah, some of you guys been trading since London. The trade you took on the 5-minute yesterday. Yeah, we already explained that one, but yeah, it was pretty simple. 5-minute closure below. Almost got stopped out. Closed. This candle came down, almost tapped my my partials, but didn't. This guy came up, and then this one did it. So that was it. Just a 5-minute closure below. I wanted the 15-minute, but I couldn't get it. It was too fast. So waited for this first 5-minute of the 15 to push down, pull back, leave a wick fill, entered on the the flip of the next candle. Yeah, this candle didn't tap my target though. The next one did. This guy. Or actually two more. Took two more. All right, we got NY Open here, so we'll see what happens. I'm not going to touch anything right now in the open. Maybe at 8:15. We'll see how we do here. We may create some sort of resistance now. See, Melly, how you feeling, bro? Yeah, 30-minute celery was money here. So that was the play so far. Some of you guys were in that with me. Some of you guys weren't. Now it's just time to wait for the next best play. That's it. Whether you took this trade or not, I took it. I'm out. I'm looking for the next best position now. This one is old news. Ready for the next one. Ready and waiting for the next one. Let me grab some water. All right, I'll be right back. I'm out of water. Check 1 hour candle. Yeah, I see it. 1 hour close right at this level here too. Yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, I wanted to stream yesterday, but I couldn't make it back in time. Got back at like 3:15. This is like POV me on the 5-minute time frame. 3:15. I got home. I seen that 15-minute candle run, and yeah, I was late. I looked at it real quick on my phone. I was on the phone with John and my brother Joe. We were on this like 3-way call. And I'm like, damn, these cells look pretty solid right now as I was like pulling into the neighborhood. Ran in. I know y'all be doing that. Just ran into, open it up. It's like, damn, I was late on the 15. Feeling phenomenal. What a word. Don't you just feel good saying phenomenal? Right? What about Bora Bora? Doesn't that just sound great? Tahiti. Right? Tulum. Now say work. Not the same ring, right? My job. It's not the same, man. It's just not the same. It just ain't it. All right, we got a few more charts here. So I'm going to wait on 8:15, I think. Yeah, we'll see how we react to 41 here, and no rush here. No rush. Eleuthera. Who's ever been to Eleuthera? Eleuthera. Now say work. All right, I think we looked at this one. Let's go ahead and take a look. I think there's some more here, right? Yeah, so let's see. 15-minute celery play. Okay, same trade. Look at this. TT traders are straight up printing. Like, this is how you know you have a duplicatable system, right? Where people can really take it. It's a very clean cookie cutter type of systematic approach to the markets, and everyone seems to be saying and seeing the same exact thing. So that's how you know you've got unity. You've got a group of individuals that are all on the same page. They're all understanding the curriculum. They're all understanding and learning, and it's very, very duplicatable. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, let's see. All right, we got, let's see, is there notes here? So 4 hour, 1 hour 30 was bearish, entered on the 15 celery. How you doing? 3 in a row. There's a three-peat. Man, TT traders straight up printing, man. W. What ticker am I trading? I'm trading GCZ 24, and then MGCZ. Yeah, I'm trading the Z contract. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with my connection here on TradingView. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out today. What size is this range here? It's a big range, man. It's a massive range. I'm trying to see how we can tighten this range up. Like, you got this 15-minute. Yeah, this is that 15 celery that you guys took yesterday. Just straight lovely. Or what was that, London session, right? Yeah, 415. W. Yeah, that was money. That was the trade of the day. Yeah, that's that 15 celery and then this 30 celery here. So it looks like someone else caught this trade here. Let's take a look. Who was this? Hold on. Okay. Let's see. So, all right, 4 hour close bear, 30-minute close bear, break of support, entered on the trade, break of the lows, took partials. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. This was that 15 celery too, but it was on the 30-minute time frame. So that's why I was mentioning to you guys, you have an A+ setup when you have when the 30-minute breakout looks like the 15 celery, right? Or let's say you got a 15 celery, or let's say you got a 15-minute onion. That should, on a AA+ setup, keep this in mind, a 15 onion, if you go to the 30, it should look like a 30-minute celery. And that 30-minute celery should look like a 1 hour, 4 hour breakout. So keep that in mind, and that's how you know you got an A+ condition right there. Like, at that point, you can definitely go high risk, or whatever your definition of high risk is. Yeah, keep that in mind. They should all follow suit. 15 onion, 30 celery, 1 hour, 4 hour breakout. We making soup, baby. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at this one. Traders next door. Another one here. So 15 or breakout on the 1 hour. Yup. Breakout on the 30. Waited for the 15 to close. Entered on the 15-minute celery play. Entered on the break of the 15 previous lows. Closed 50% at 30 pips. Closed full at 60. W, bro. Absolute textbook play right there. Textbook. All right, let's see this one. Took the fade position for these reasons. Literally what I learned in the webinar. Let's go, man. All right, so daily was pushing bearish since pre-London without the proper pullback. Okay, 4 hour close bearish with a very little bottom wick. W. Open on the new 4-hour candle, right? Started pushing down, all right? But with no top wick, here comes some signs now, right? 30 minutes shows signs of exhaustion to the downside, and 15 minute with small bodies and small wicks after printing side by side. What did we talk about on the webinar, right? Entered on the break of the previous candle high, it shows rejection, pre-New York volume. Beautiful, brother, beautiful. Close full at the advantage point, 35 pips, enough for me. Absolute W mindset here, W plan, and W mentee, right? Really taking the knowledge, taking the information and applying it. So remember, knowledge is not power, right? Applied knowledge is power. Knowledge is only potential power. Until you apply it, it means nothing. So I love that, man. I love that. Good stuff. All right, let's take a look at this one here. Yep, 15-minute celery again. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And then the fade. I love this. Same trades, right? So these were the trades of the London session that the TTE members are really taking advantage of. Just so you guys see, man, it's very simple, right? Very simple. Don't complicate this thing more than you need to. Don't take stupid, unnecessary trades more than you need to, because what that does is it takes away from these beautiful ideas that you take, right? If you take 3 stupid trades over here, this like means nothing, man. You're like back to break even. So try and really stick to the plan, right? Stick every trade. Stick to the plan. Stick to the script, man. Don't deviate. I really want those numbers to play out for you. Remember, we're playing a probability game. But if you keep throwing this guy's stuff or this different stuff and that different stuff, you literally mess up your playbook probabilities, right? So just try and stay on the beaten path. All right, let's see how we do on this wick fill here. See if we actually break the highs or not. Take a look at this 4-hour here. So 4-hour candle been moving up, right? So will we continue pumping up, or are we going to pull back? That's the question here. So the daily's starting to move up as well here. The 1-hour closed below resistance, 30-minute closed below resistance here. So we've got 3 minutes left on the 15. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes, and then we'll take a look at anticipating maybe this 30 flipping bearish and breaking its own low and driving back down in the range here. We'll see. There's still time for that, but let's wait for the 15 to close. 15 close with no wick. That's going to be a good sign. All right, let's see. Does unemployment claims spike to a side? Yeah, it will. I don't know if it'll do a big spike or not, but it'll bring in a burst of volume. What's my sleeping routine? Trying to get a W on rest. My sleeping routine is I go to bed anywhere between 10:30ish and 11 p.m. and then I get up at 5:05 every morning. Yeah, I was getting up at 4, but now I'm getting up at 5. And that's pretty much every day. So I don't really have a set bedtime, but usually it's between like 10 and 11, 10:30, somewhere around there. I get up at 5:05 just because I think it's cool, and my favorite number is 5. And if I'm up before that and it's like anytime after 4, then I'll just get up, which honestly happens a lot of days. So most days I don't even wake up to an alarm clock at all. It's just I wake up before the alarm and just get going. I'm fired up, man. Fired up. Bro, sleeping in? Hey, yo, TK wakes up, what? TK, damn, 8, 7, 6. It's only 5:13 right now for TK, so. Damn, TK's been up since like 3 in the morning. Hey, took both the trades. Congratulations, my friend, W. Remember, the whole theme of the webinar was what? Executing on edge, right? Without emotion. Don't forget that part. Right? And how do we do that? We do that by understanding what it is we're looking for, right? Understanding the technicals, understanding the details, the nuances. We are understanding the playbook, not for just the face value, but for everything about it, right? All the details, all the nuances. But if you're sitting around right now playing your Warcraft game, or you're scrolling on social media, sometimes you miss things, right? Oftentimes, right? Wisdom is often caught, not taught. So sometimes you're missing wisdom by being a little too distracted. I've done it. I still do it. You know, I get distracted easily, but I work on that, you know, and I knew that in trading I had to lock in. So I remember things changed when I changed, right? When I began to take it more serious, when I began to lock in and not miss those little nuances anymore. Sam the man, how you doing? Yeah, the morning is sacred time for me. When I was at my job, I would wake up, I would sleep in. I didn't really have a morning routine like for a while, but I would sleep in until like the last minute I possibly could. You know, hit the snooze, all that stuff. Roll. I remember I'd wake up and I'd be at the job in 45 minutes from the time I opened my eyes. Sheesh. That's horrible. That's horrible. Did I take a trade today? Yeah, I took the 30-minute celery here. So this is what my trade looked like. It was a buy position. Stops are kept here. Target was like right around these areas and these wick zones. And once this candle closed and no top wick, I closed 80% of the position. The rest of it got tapped at B. How many guys are tired when you wake up? That's just like an oxymoron. You shouldn't be tired when you wake up. 100% win rate. Yeah, that's right. Where the Quakers at? How you doing? Quaker. Yo. All right, 100% win rate. None of your IG or YouTube gurus are out here doing what we're doing. 100% win rates. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. Eagle 4000 coming out real soon. What up, Zoomers? How you guys feeling? Am I missing some stuff here? Let me take a look. Good morning. Good morning, guys. What up? What up? What's up, Rondell? See you, brother. I know your trading style, but I'm scared to enter a trade. That's natural, especially if you're new to it. Action cures fear. Action cures fear. So just act. You know, go ahead and open up a small little position and have fun, right? Ease your way into it. Ease your way in. Yeah, fear is just false evidence appearing real, right? It just appears real to you, but it's not actually real. So how do you cure it? You act. Once you act, you realize, you know, that fear actually isn't that real. And then a lot of times after you act, you want to act again right away, right? It just felt good to take the action. So embrace the action, go ahead and take it and enjoy the ride. News coming in. Yeah, news coming in here. I'm not taking any other positions. We filled the wick there on the 15 and just kept going. So if this 15 didn't fill the wick, I was going to be interested in the next candle breaking the low there and taking a potential fade on the way down, but that's not looking too hot. This is a 90 pip range here, so that can still play out, but it's not playing it. There's no sign of that right now. Let's check charts for stream to evaluate my trade, please. All right, George Paul, let's take a look. Bro, you funded or private capital with leverage? I am funded. I have private capital, and I have some combines as well. Yes, I have about 25,000 private capital. I have 200K live funded, and then another, like, I don't even know now. I think I have 4 Top Step accounts. So, like, what's that, 600,000? Yeah, so 600K there. So I got 3 accounts. Let me go. Yeah, charts for stream, right? All right, let's take a look. All right, my man, my buddy here. All right, let's take a look at AJ's trade. So we got 1 hour daily bullish, previous 4 hour bearish. Okay, so mixed. Yeah, look, another one. 30-minute breakout, 15-minute celery, 420 BE, 18 pips, close partials, 55 pips, close the rest. Lovely. Lovely. Love it, man. I love how all you guys caught this trade. This was a beautiful trade right here. 30-minute breakout, 1 hour breakout, 15-minute celery. It doesn't get much better than that. 4 hour bearish. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Oh, yes, I did. Yeah. Hold on. There's another one here. So, all right, let's take a look here. So, trade 1. There it is. There it is again. The TTE trade of the night. Yeah. 30-minute breakout, 15 celery, TP, 4 hour wick fill. Love it, man. Love it. All right, let's see trade number 2. So the white rectangle support. Okay, it's a support zone. I like that. A bit more to the left, full TP. Price started losing some steam. Okay. Candle started getting weaker. Okay. Major support zone. Major support zone was tapped. All right. Price started flipping with the bullish doji. Entry on the 30-minute doji. Break of the high. Stop loss in the zone. Aiming for retracement. Mwah. Beautiful, bro. Lovely. That's exactly what we talked about. All right. This is exactly what we talked about on the webinar. So it's really good to see it. Number one, seeing you guys notice it now in real time, because did you notice this before the webinar as much as you notice it now, right? After we really got like down to the nitty gritty and spent some time to really talk about this. Like, my main job for the webinar was just to make you guys more aware of what it is to look for. So I hope the awareness has, like, you know, just kind of heightened for you guys, and now use that to your advantage. All right, let's take a look at this one here. So we got simple breakdown trade, caught 30 pips. Yep, same position. Everything was matching up. Perfect setup, entry type, volume, clean. Lovely. Lovely. Partials on the wick fill. Let the rest run. Yep. Trade of the night, man. Trade of the night. Chala got in on the action too there. Let's go, Chala. Close 50%. Yeah, man. Let's W. Let's go. And he got in on what's this, Chala? Pre-New York? Yeah, nice. Yeah, you got a yeah, same trade as me, right? Is that the 30 seller? Yeah. Yeah, same trade. So Chala took the same trade as me pre-New York. 30-minute seller play. W. Good job, Chala. Good job, bro. Oh, what do you know? What do we have here? Another 15-minute seller play. Okay, let's take a look at this. This was an Asian session. Okay, price of fake out. Yeah, this was lovely. Yeah, I had gotten out of my trade at that point. Yeah, because I was in the sell from up here. So I had gotten out right around these levels, and then, yeah, I did see that happen. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, perfect. Celery play. Lovely, lovely. What are we doing here? Still pushing up? All right, yeah, we're probably going to wait on news now that we're just pushing up here. So you notice how we're getting smaller and smaller wicks. We're losing some steam, so we're coming into this level of resistance where maybe when you try and catch the fade, notice how we were looking at it here, right? But it may want to do it up here. So we'll see what happens. That's our next area to pay attention to, is basically, you know, right in this zone here. So we'll see how we react to that zone, and then go from there. News might pop in there and reject. All right, if we can pop in here and just reject, and then if this candle, like, what I would love to see if we do take an entry post news, is that this guy maybe closes with very little to no wick. Next candle fires up into that range, right, leaving a little wick, and then starts to fail. And once it breaks the low, that's going to be our fade position with a lot of volume coming in. For price to at least come back down towards 41 there. All right, keep in mind the daily's still what, bearish, right? Or 4 hours still pretty bearish. Charts for stream is fire. Word. A lot of charts here today. The candle business, baby. Lifetime record, yeah, that I would say, I don't know, 87% of those trades are all taken on the stream. Got the 1 hour closure in London. Lovely, lovely. All right, let's take a look at the next one here. No explanation needed. Textbook play. Let's take a look. Where is it? Right here. 30-minute breakout. Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. Break of the highs. Close full up here. BE. Yeah, nice. W. Wags. Let's see what Wags got. Oh, this one might be tough to read, Wags. I don't know. Damn. Let's see. So, all right. So, where's one? So, took buys due to the price closing above support. All right. 15-minute. I had buy stops saying break above the bearish candle. Perfect. Kind of like a celery play. Previous 15. Damn, Wags, you got me reading a paragraph over here, bro. Hold on, let me get my bifocals on, dude. let me take my blue lights off, man. Go get my my microscope. Oh man, yeah, nah, nice trade, bro. Awesome. Nah, I can see it. It looks good. 15-minute. It's kind of like your inverted celery play too here, right? That we're looking at. Yeah, price comes down. Yeah, man, awesome job. Excellent work. Excellent work. Round of applause. John Stew is in the house. Let's get John Stew up. Good morning, John.
Yo, yo, good morning, my man.
What's good? What's good?
Poppin', bro. It's a good word.
Everything, man. The good word is the gospel of Jesus Christ. It's alive more than ever before. Now is the time, my friends. Now is the time to put your faith in Christ and start repenting, man. Start repenting. You want some good results in life. You want some good vibes. You want to stop feeling depressed and anxious and, you know, overbeared all day, every day, man. Put your faith in the Lord, man. Put it in the Lord. Let the Lord do the work. And it is finished, the word says, right? It is finished. So amen to that. Congratulations to all of you. And I think that's a good word today, brother.
Thanks, bro. Hey, praise Jesus, man. Every knee shall bow. Let's go.
Yes, sir. What a morning today, man. What a morning. These guys all took 15-minute celeries, 30-minute breakouts, making money while I was sleeping. Damn.
Good stuff, chat.
How you doing?
Doing amazing, bro. Grateful to be alive.
Good.
Grateful for the air I'm breathing. Just another day, bro. Trusting the process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any trades?
No trades today so far.
Sweet.
What's good, chat? Yeah, I'm waiting for this 4 hour, and I want to see this news.
Yeah, newsy news coming up. So this is our next range too here, by the way, chat. So now we've got more range sitting up towards 57 here. Perfect. Amen, Richard Lewis. Let's go.
Amen.
Yeah. Good morning, Captain. What's up,
Joey Stu, check.
Joey Stu. He's here?
Sure.
You seen him?
Not in the chat, man.
Joe Stu, if you are in the chat, please report to aisle 15. There's a spill.
This guy. Yeah, NFP's not today. I thought I thought today was Friday. When we were talking yesterday, I really thought today was Friday.
I looked and I seen unemployment claims. I'm like, what is this guy talking about?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's good, Andrew? Richard Lewis, good morning, my man. Z Gamer. It's popping, boys.
Yes, sir. I'm back again. Found this channel yesterday. Hey, welcome in, John. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, Andrew. Could you check my trade? Yeah, let's finish up in charts for stream here. I think we were left off. Where did we left off with Wags' beautiful buy position. I mean, that thing was beautiful.
Oh man, let's go Wags. Let's go see Melly.
Wags.
Energy. Good.
We got Wags, man.
I love the name Wags.
Yeah, it reminds me of the guy from Billions.
Facts.
All right, let's
What's up,
take a
Pablo?
look. The 4 hour is strong bearish, okay, but it tapped into a tail of a pin bar on the 4 hour. I expected the price to be rejecting here, okay. I set buy stops at the top of the wick, previous 1 hour candle. Then price reached my B point, pushed down, and stopped me out. Okay, so all right, no biggie. Yeah, I think this was pre-New York, right? Yeah, notice how we didn't take off until I think so normally we are seeing like some volume here at like 6 a.m., 6:30, but yeah, today it didn't come into like 7:30, I believe. So yeah, it wasn't a bad idea. You're right, you hit BE, no biggie. Next candle ran up. Now you just take some of this information and you just use it for next time. So maybe like once, instead of going break even there, maybe what you could do is move stops and keep them below here, right? Below these levels. And that way now you take your stop from here to here, you cut your loss in half regardless. And now it keeps you in this position a little longer until maybe price taps up there. Yeah, other than that, good job. You know, break even, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, I like this trade.
Way to manage it.
Yep.
Good.
Yeah. I like this trade. I like this trade because you rejected here, right? This is that inverted celery that we were talking about that you can take a buy from the break of this high. But I like this trade. You wait for this strong closure, engulfing everything, take your buy. Yep. Perfect, man. Good trade. Good trade. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we got news coming out here. So let's see where price ends up pushing. Looks like we're moving up. Up we go. No bottom wick here. So yeah, we're pushing through this zone. Let's see what happens in this area here, and we will check how the results came. Let's see. All right, let's see how results came out. Got unemployment claims, red numbers here. So 249 from what, 235 here. So yeah, red numbers on the dollar. We should see a move up here on gold according to that. So yeah, we've got plenty of range here. Plenty of range. Let's take a look at the daily, by the way. Daily is starting to flip bullish now, right? So we've got plenty of range here today to move up towards 2470-ish. So we'll see what's up with that. Again, 4 hour closing with that no bottom wick. That was the first sign of price moving up. And, you know, now we see us pushing here. So, yeah. How many of you guys got into buys on news? Anyone?
Me. Looks good, though. Looks good for after 9 a.m.
Yeah, 4 hour candle closes. We've got, look at the range here. So you get a closure on the 4 hour, right? Above all the resistance here. You got really good range. Well, let me do this. All right, you got resistance here. You get a closure above there. You've got nice clean range coming up. That'll be your daily target as well. I'm in the buys. Let's go, Shelly. Let's go, Shelly.
Hey, shout out y'all on the buys.
Yeah, unemployment claims. Can unemployment claims push you up? All right, what up? What up, Lewis G? What up, Lights Fire? How you doing? I had buys before news, but closed them. Yeah. Yes, sir.
You got a
C
juice
Melly.
box.
Yes, sir. So yeah, top one has been able to integrate trading view on the charts now when you have a match trade account. So you guys are chilling. If you're not able to use Trade Locker or C Trader, you'll now be able to execute right off trading view. So W, man.
That's crazy. Are you
Yup.
serious?
Yup.
Nice. Fire.
W, Jen. W, praise God.
It's W Jen. Good morning. What's up, Lights Fire? I'm doing great, man. Hope you're doing good as well.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the next tournament's gonna be off the charts, man. There could be about, I don't know, I don't want to state any actual numbers, but there could probably be like a $7,000 to $10,000 prize for the winners, like if we get the same exact turnout. So hopefully we get a bigger turnout, but now we're just gonna do a cash prize. So for those of you guys that weren't here yesterday, like what we plan on doing in the next tournament, because this tournament was awesome. Like it was a warm-up tournament. It was our first time doing it, so just learning in the process. But for the next one, we're gonna open it up for a $10 buy-in, and then the prize, so the winner is gonna take home cash. So depending on how many people actually participate is going to determine the prize, right? So there should be a pretty big prize at the end of it. And instead of you getting like an account to, work, to pass, we just want to give you cash. So yeah, the cash prize is going to be like 7,000. Like if we got the exact, let's say we did the exact same numbers as we did last time, we would have about a $8,500 pot. Yeah, so who can use an extra $8,000? Well, we'll give
it up.
Yeah, man. We'll give we're gonna obviously take the first 10%, pour it back into the kingdom, do whatever we can do in terms of some sort of charity event, and then the rest of it is yours. Yeah, the rest is yours.
It's a great deal. Yeah.
I know. It is. Yeah, what I was thinking, TK, let me know. What I was thinking is the first place winner gets all the cash. And then the second and third and fourth can get like 200K, 100K, 100K. Unless you guys think we should split the cash in two, first and second place. But I'm big on rewarding number one, right? First place. Like that's what you're playing for. That's, that's.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, I think we either split the cash for first. I think we either give first place all the cash, and then let second, third, and fourth get evaluation accounts, big accounts too, or split the cash between first and second place, and then 3 and 4 can get. 3 and 4 honestly shouldn't really get anything, but we'll give 3 and 4 accounts because that still is pretty freaking impressive, right? To be in the top 5 of 800 plus traders. I mean, that's pretty solid.
Yeah. Everyone's got different opinions.
Give all the cash to number one. Yeah, that's kind of like what I was thinking. Winner takes the cash, man. First place should honestly get the cash.
Someone in chat, tell me why you think the first place winner shouldn't get all the cash.
Yeah, the winner of this comp gets the next one for free. Yes, and they get the belt. So there's gonna be some sort of a belt that we're probably gonna like mail to you if it's doable. Maybe I'll even fly out and we'll go have a steak and I'll put the belt on you like Dana puts the belt on these guys and we'll record it. Oh man, we about to be the Dana Whites of this game. And then eventually what I want to do is I want to reach out to a couple other of my friends who have like big, like some of the streamers, some of the other guys who have big trading communities, and then we'll battle their communities. Yeah, I think that's sick. I think that'll tie a good, like, nice, cool, like, bring the industry together a little bit, you know, and just have some fun, healthy competition.
Yeah, I'm with that.
The amount of cash could, I would say on average, roughly, it's going to be like anywhere from 7 to 10,000 cash prize. I'm just going based off of what we did last time. We had about 800 and something people sign up. So if 800 people signed up with a $10 buy-in, that would put us at 8 grand. So 10% of that's going to be 800. You left with what, 7,200? So the winner gets 7,200. Who could use an extra 7,200? Damn. I'll take an extra 7,200. Sheesh. That's not no chump change.
Bro, you could always take an extra 7,200, man. You'll catch me and Nick in the tournament.
Yeah, and we'll do these all the time. I mean, all you're putting in is you're basically risking $10, right?
Yo, Dominic, that's funny, bro.
Yeah, man. Oh, man, yeah. Yeah, you know what?
For the year. Hell yeah, there you go.
Yesterday we asked a lot of the chat, how much money do you really need, right, to live? And a lot of you guys, I hope what that did for you was make you realize I don't need to be aiming for $5,000 a day. Like, if I need 2 G's, 3 G's a month, I can do that by making what, like, I don't know, C-Melly, maybe put in the calculator, like 2 G's a month. You need to make like $100 and something a day, right? And you guys are swinging for 1,000. You guys got funded accounts, right, where you could literally be risking 0.2 or 0.3% and make a good living for yourself. So just because this dude's making all this money, or that guy's driving this car, or this trader's posting these profits, it makes you want to do that. Right? But you got to slow down and play your own game and really say, hey, well, what gets me free? You know, screw this and screw that and all that stuff. I'll get that stuff later, but what's it going to take for me to change my situation now? Right? And a lot of times, as we seen yesterday, that's going to be like 2-3 G's. You know, it's very doable to make that in the market by just simply making $200 a day on your funded account, right? It's not that difficult. So freedom is much closer than a lot of you guys think. You guys could be broke right now, and in 3 months, everything could change for you.
100%.
What's my playlist? I think we have the playlist in the Discord somewhere. My goal is 100 to 200 a day on stocks, 100 to 200 a day DoorDash, as we will, until I truly understand trading, I will be more. There you go. 100 to, look at that, 100. So let's say you make 150 on the charts, 150 doing DoorDash. You're at $300 a day, man. You're probably making more than some people who have these nice fancy pantsy jobs and these nice little fancy pantsy offices with their cool little fancy pantsy picture board. Right? They got to bring all their family, put it on the picture board because they need to feel home, right? While they're at work, because they spend that much time there, right? Don't you guys want to flip the script, right? Don't you guys want to say, screw being at work? Like, I want to be at home. I don't want to just spend time with my kids and husbands and wives' pictures, but I want to really spend time with them, man. You can get the job done. And as you can see, it doesn't take as much as you probably think it does. Is Raja Banks your mentor? When it comes to trading and candlesticks and what I've learned on the charts, yes. He's my trading mentor. I have mentors for many different areas in life. One mentor who covers it all. One mentor who covers it all. But then I got other mentors that help me out in different areas.
Yo, it's good, TK.
How do we enter to win the prizes? We'll keep you guys posted. We're gonna open up the enrollment for that. I think TK, when was that? I forget which day. Look at this, $95. W trades get you 2K a month with 70% win rate at a 1R. Sheesh. So
Yep. That's the point. A lot of you guys are right there. You're so close. You just got to keep pushing at it.
sure it's not Don. Yeah, Don and Raja. Yep. Yeah, Donvo and Raja Banks are who I really developed a price action strategy with, on the charts. Yep. When does it start? I forgot. TK, help me out here. Don's a beast. Yeah, hell yeah. Don's a monster. I learned a lot from Don. Learned a lot from Don, learned a lot from Raja, but I think today my style reflects a little bit more Raja than it does Don's, but Don, really, really helped me put like some foundation together.
Yep.
Yeah, the next
facts.
comp. Yep.
I pretty much learned everything I needed to know from watching Don's live stream for like 6 months, 3 to 6 months.
Yeah, back in 2021, right? Was that 2021? Yeah. Back in 2021.
Yeah, 2021, 2022.
Yeah, that's where I was really, really watching Don on, and he was trading pretty much exactly the way I'm trading. He's I believe he's like adjusted his style a little bit now, but yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, I would say now I'm more my style reflects Raja a little bit more, because Raja stayed with those same setup, same principles, so that's pretty much what I've done too. I'm a market fluidity student. Yeah, I got market fluidity right here. Y'all want to see the inside? Woohoo! This is the inside right here. This is the inside. You want the link to the live stream? Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing this too. Price action. Basically, quick little 2-minute video of the top-down analysis. Would you guys like me to do like a quick video of a top-down analysis? Let's say in like Asian, basically before I go to bed, like, hey, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at for Asian into London, and then possibly in New York. Maybe I can start doing that too.
Yeah, I think that'd be fire, bro.
Yeah, that's the inside look.
That's an important piece of trading in your top-down analysis.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think more over time I'll continue to gravitate towards the way Raja trades. I just continue to follow in his footsteps in a way, in terms of like the way I have my trading style. And with my own experience, I'm starting to really recognize some things that he's very good at. So I like it. I like it. Damn, should have held them buys, huh? We had a perfect entry there.
What happened? You took that 30-minute celery?
Yeah, I took the buy here.
Nice.
Closed right here.
Nice fire, bro. Yeah, it was a good trade.
I think it was
I just got to the desk, so I kind of sat out on that one.
Yeah, it was like 24 pips, I think.
Did you get BE, or what happened?
Yeah, so I closed partials when this candle closed in no wick, and then got BE here.
Damn, bro. It must have just got you at BE.
It just got me, dude. Just got me.
That's why.
Ain't that? How about Wix? Do I know Wix? Yeah, I know Wix.
Get Nick out. Continue.
Yeah, I know Wix. Yeah, Wix is awesome, man. Yeah, I do look up to Wix a lot as well. He had some really great tips back then in 2021, and when I was really paying attention, and he still does today. Like every now and then I'll go on his stream, say what up. Yeah, I'm gonna be in Miami next week, so maybe I'll try and see if he's around. Try and link up.
Yeah, bro. Shout out Wick. He was a great like co-host for Don's stream, and he would always be dropping the absolute fire gems and tips for me. So
would.
shout out Wix.
I remember him saying, "You get paid to wait. We get
He'd
paid
be
to
yeah,
wait."
for sure.
TT's the home team, but I rock with Wix and sometimes Raja. Yeah. Hey, honestly, Wix's family, Raja's family, like, you know, that's I really like both
Sure.
of those guys.
Peace and love, like Don says, you know.
Yeah, peace
Wix,
and
I
love.
remember that, you know, a loss is just a business expense. You know, they're part of the game, and that was another thing Wix helped me out on too.
Yeah. My runner's still running. Hey, you're on the road to freedom, FX. Ain't that? Is he still streaming? Nah, I don't think Raja will be streaming like that no more. Once your trade goes your way and hits your TP, what's your advice on moving stop loss? Well, if it hits your TP, I think you should just get out. You know? So, like, once it hits my, like, had this candle not closed with no top wick, I would have, regardless, I wouldn't have got this. I would have been out of that trade right here when this candle tapped into that zone there. So, once I would have hit TP, I would have just been out. And then I just wait for the next best opportunity to enter back into the market. Yeah. Or, I mean, you could trail your stops, right? So maybe what you do is if your original stops are, let's say, here, right? And then this candle now starts flipping up, you can move them here. And then once it closes, if this guy makes a bottom wick and you break that high, you can now move your stop to here. Same thing, when this candle moves up, breaks the high, you can move your stop here. So if you want, you can begin to trail it. Yep, that's one way. I don't do that too much, but it certainly is a way that works. And it keeps you in the trade. You know, it keeps you in the trade longer. Most times. I submitted all the challenge winners from the webinar. Okay, cool. If you don't get your challenge info from top one by today, let us know. Okay, so if you guys, all of you guys, I think it was like 15 people got challenges at the webinar. So you guys should all have your challenges now. And if you don't, just not right now, but if you don't by like, I don't know, later today, hit us up. Okay, so hey Nick, I've taken quite a few trades and I'm up on the account overall, but can we have a review of trades on TP? Yes, of course. Yeah, we could do that in our next session together, Dan. Yeah, we could break that down for like an hour. My bad, I didn't realize till just now it was more of a private message. Yeah. W, let's do it, man. Let's do it.
That'll be a fun session.
Yes, they're all so much fun, man. Yeah, gang, we got, I think there's 2 spots open. So there's 2 more spots left open for the elite program, and then we're nipping it right there. So it's the first day of the month. Probably going to shut that down by tomorrow. So if we get the 2, we get them. If not, we're done. Close it down, and then we'll let you guys know when the new phase of elite opens up. Yeah, good job, Road to Freedom. How many years it took you to be profitable? I mean, you know, I would say 2.5 years, and then you're still gonna have some negative months, some break-even months, and you know, all that stuff. And in the meantime, like within your career. So yeah, I think the real hard part was the first 2.5 years, and then it started to really get consistent and click a little bit more for me.
Yep. And everyone's process is different too, man. You know, you just gotta learn as much as you can and just know that you can do it.
Yeah. All right, so 5 minutes and then this 4-hour candle is going to close here. So big closure on the 4-hour. We really want to see how this candle is going to close, how we're going to react to 48. So will we reject and close below, or are we going to actually close above? Then we can anticipate that the next candle, after making a bottom wick, will be able to push up. Right now, the question is, where can we get this bottom wick, right? Because this bottom wick at this point can come all the way down to here, never break that low, and then push up. So there's still maybe an opportunity to go short, but we're gonna see how this candle closes, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. When will we get some more info on the new elite? So that's going to open up. We're going to try and get that open by September 1st. September 1st, maybe, we're trying to shoot for August 15th, but that's just like the date that we're planning for. So just in case we have to roll behind a little bit, we'll have it set up for September 1st. Yeah, and that's going to be a totally different style. We'll explain more of that to you guys as we lead into that time. May we get a celery play at 9:30? May we get it, please. That would be awesome.
It's up to charts.
Yeah, it's up to the charts. But all I can tell you, I could spill little beans, and I'll just tell you that Time to Eat TV is coming. That's going to be a part of the YouTube, not a part of the YouTube, a part of the Elite program. You've got TTE University that's going to tie into that, which is going to be 2 to 3 weekly calls as a group together, talking about either trading, personal growth and development, or anything we need to do to get to the next level. I'm going to have a variety of topics, whatever I feel like the team needs at that time, or whatever I just have on my heart to share. We're going to do all that. And there's some other little things that I can't mention just yet. But yeah, so that's 2 pieces. We got TTE TV and we got TTE University coming at a whole nother level. All right, TK, that's it. TK said no more, so we gotta chill. We gotta chill real quick. I'm excited though.
Getting larger, y'all.
Phase 2 of 8-figure traders.
Yeah, bro, I like that. Phase 2 on this 8-figure trader thing.
Yep. And obviously we'll still be doing the live stream too. So. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After watching Raja and Don, I would say it took about another year, another good solid year, maybe year and a half. I think my first year was mainly just hopping around, trying to figure things out. But after I started finding some good, solid, like concrete teaching and live streaming, I took about another, like, I would say a year or so. Yeah, and those streams helped me out drastically, because so there's gonna be a lot of times where, like, maybe we're just chilling and you're getting into a trade and then you're gonna lose that trade, even though we said, hey, these are the reasons why we don't want to get in. So they were more experienced than me, right? And they would say, hey, this looks good, but this is the reason I'm not getting in. And I'm like, screw this YouTube guy, I'm getting in this, right? And then I would lose, right? And then they'd be sitting there talking about whatever they were talking about, and I'm over here just punching the oxygen, right, for taking another loss. So that really helped me keep composure and stay picky, you know what I mean? Like, not so rushy to get into trades all the time. And then I read the Forex Mindset, and then while I was reading it, I noticed that Don and Raja both pretty much exuded everything that the book was talking about, right? They pretty much, the book in a way was talking about them, and it was talking about good quality traders, their traits, what they do, and all that good stuff. And I got very comfortable with Don and Raja after reading that, because what they were doing and what they were saying lined up with what I was reading in that book. So I just knew, okay, great. I can hitch my wagon onto these guys. I could follow these guys. They're doing the right thing. They got the right mentality, and I could kind of become my own trader from that. So that's pretty much what I did. And those two in that book, the Forex Mindset, coming together was just everything I needed. And I feel like that kind of put a bow on it and helped me, break that break-even stage. Will you still offer one-on-one coaching?
Definitely,
yes,
bro.
Yeah, we'll still do that. Some of you guys know when you go buy like a challenge account, how you can put add-ons to your package. So we're going to try and do something like that where you can put some add-ons, and if you still want like, tight one-on-one coaching, then yeah, it'll be available. Yep. Yeah, unnecessary trades, yeah. Yeah, they hurt, man. They really take a bite and a stab at your profitable trades, and it's not fun. It's not fun. Like you go into your P&L right now, you go take away all the unnecessary trades, you're probably profitable.
Yeah, man.
It's
You
just,
gotta use those. You have to use those bad losses as mistakes, right? And you gotta not make those same mistakes over and over again. Every loss you take should be a good loss, right? If you're taking bad losses, then there's a lesson for you that you need to learn and grow from, and help. Then that, if you learn the lesson, then you'll avoid that bad loss, right, in the future. So you got to look at those as lessons and repent for them.
yep. Yeah,
Keep it simple too. Like Nick, why should people overthink like that right there? Like that's, you just got to keep it simple, right? With the knowledge, you just got to apply the knowledge and continue on.
Yeah, apply it. Just do.
Yeah.
Don't think too much, just do.
Yep.
How you doing? Nobody's knowing nothing. We do a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we
Yeah.
do a little trolling.
And remember, y'all, nothing changes if nothing changes. So
Nothing.
if you keep making the same mistakes over and over again, you're gonna get those same results that you don't like. So
Yeah.
let's get it.
Yep. And again, new month, clean slate for you, right? So you can start a fresh new beginning here. All right, so here's what we got, right? Let's talk about this real quick. So we got a 4-hour closure above. So 4-hour candle has created support. No surprise after that candle right here closes with no bottom wick. All right, so you had a support there. You also had a let me get rid of this. You had a resistance right here, right? And now you have pretty clean range coming up. So let's measure the range here. It's about a 180 pip range to the top side. You have some wick rejections here, right? So we want to go check those wick rejections out and see what these look like on, like, let's say a 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. But we can completely shift our bias at this point to bullish, right? Daily's bullish, 4 hour has closed bullish, 1 hour closed bullish. Now here's our wicks, right? So here's the first rejection. So we've got a resistance on the 1 hour, which is sitting right here, right? So we did not obviously close above that here. So what can that mean, right? So we are bullish. We do expect the 4 hour to push up. We do expect the daily to possibly continue moving up here. Now, remember, where's the 4 hour lower wick, the previous candle? Where is it? Right here, right? So where can this wick come down to? It can come all the way down here. So what can we look for, right? What can we anticipate here? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and say, if we're at resistance right now, we don't really want to take a buy here, right? Because number one, we've pushed up a little too much here. We're also right at a resistance level. So, and we still technically, I would say, need a bit of a steeper bottom wick here, right? Maybe we'll get it, maybe we won't. But if that was the case, right, the 15-minute also closed bearish. So where can we get that bottom wick to? Will this be the bottom wick, right? I think this candle here has no bottom wick here as well. So can we potentially get a move down to form the 4 hour low, right? And what would that look like on the 15? That would look something like this. That would look like 15-minute candles coming down and then supports being formed, right? Just like the last 4 hour candle did. And I think once we create this support here, we can take our buys. Right, we take our buys coming back up to the range, maybe even fill in the whole like 30-minute range here at 9:30. And I think if that happens, that's going to be the best case scenario here. You're a little too high on the the buy here. I think if you get a closure back above the range, so if this is going to be our 4-hour lower wick, then that's going the support's probably going to be formed here. So let's see if we can actually form a support here, and if we can, then there may be some pretty good buys coming up. Yeah, if not, we may push down and see how we react down here, create support, and then start moving up on the 4-hour. But as of right now, we do have that lower wick. That's what it looks like on the 15. I think if you keep closing above here, we should be good. 15 closes like this. 9:15 should start to make its way up, and then 9:30 potentially push this 4-hour candle. So that's my ideas. That's my thought process, and that's what I'm gonna sit tight on here for about 10 minutes. Yeah, if we decide to break the lows in the 10 minutes, we may come down towards 44, and then that's where I'm going to look for a new support to form. Yeah. Worst case too, we come
I agree.
down. Yeah, wait, right? We come down here, we tap in here. There's also another range, right? Coming down over here. So maybe what happens is you get the candle to do this, right? You get the candle to do this and close like one of those inverted candles like that, and then we take our buys right there. Boom. So a couple different ways that this can play out. I'd rather take my buys down here than up here, but if this is all we're gonna get on the bottom wick and we get some sort of setup, playbook setup right here, then we'll take it. Let's see. Yeah, the forex mindset. Yep. I just passed my funded futures. Yo, W. 50K, let's go. And 50K top step. Good job, my man. Congrats. Big W. I think I've seen somebody else passed. By the way, chat, we only have one spot open left for the elite membership because somebody just took one of them. So someone just took one of the two. I think I know who it is. I haven't checked, but I think I know who it is. So I'm excited to work with him. So one left. Yeah, we'll probably wrap this up probably tomorrow. So if we don't fill that one spot by tomorrow, then we'll wrap it up because I got to do some traveling this month a little bit. Yes, sir. Big news from Top One. Yep. Yeah, we'll be all on TradingView now. So those of you guys that are using Match Trade, you'll have access to TradingView to trade off of. Yeah, man. I think that's rolling out today or tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, I think, right? Yep. Can't find the audio book of the Forex Mindset. I'm not sure. I don't think I ever looked it up. It should. Maybe it's not there. Maybe look for it on Audible or whatever that app is. Yes, sir. Good analysis, Nick. Yes, sir. Is that how you say your name? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome, Baj. I'm glad I can help you, bro.
Yeah, we forgot to add the trade here. What was the trade? I think it was 24 pips we got. Yeah, gold buys. Yeah, honestly, I'd be forgetting that thing's.
Yeah, bro.
I never use it.
What'd you say, try to take my buys from support and not resistance.
100%. 100%. Not even a question.
Not even a thought.
Yeah, the first trade I took this month here was 30-minute celery play right here. This guy, break of the high. When will the videos for the webinar? Check your email, Mr. Kraft. I think they should be there by now. If they're not, message the team at info@timetoeattrading.com and then we'll get it for you. Hey, good. Yes, sir. Good to have you here, man. Good to have you
Yes,
here.
sir.
I love that name. Yes, sir. I might name my next son that. Yes, sir. Get over here. Bring me a beer.
I'm with that, bro. I'm with that.
Yo, LeGrand with the clean shave. Hey, wait till you go to sleep tonight and you feel it in your pillows. You're gonna be like, whoa, that's weird.
LeGrand's a whole new person.
Oh man.
Bring me a beer.
Hey, hit us with a selfie, LeGrand. How you doing? No one knows nothing. LeGrand's gonna be like, watch your mouth.
What do you want to do? How you doing? Watch your mouth. Nobody knows nothing. How you doing?
Why doesn't he finish the
I
word?
get that.
Man,
He
say,
like
"How
says
you
it
doing?" Like,
differently.
stops halfway.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Like that.
How you doing? How does he stop halfway like that?
He's a beast, bro.
Oh man. Chat, you guys are funny. Who is that guy? He is that guy. He's the original Don Da.
I'm the original Dandara.
Little Mo.
That's Big Mo. That's Big Mo.
Big Mo. We'll meet him eventually.
All breath at the end. How you doing? Oh man. Literally. It's like don't say anything. Just let your breath run out. How you doing? Yo, what up, Rob Trades? Yeah. Once you shave that beard, man, you're a different story. It's a different man. Different man. All right, 15-minute closure in 3 minutes here. So we'll see how this candle closes up. We do know we have 9:30 upon us here in about 20 minutes. So
I love me some 930.
holla back, youngin.
Breathe air.
You. Damn, we haven't used some of these in a while, chat. It's been a minute.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That brother starving.
That brother is starving. What up, Will's Got Skills? How you doing, man? Doing fantastic. How do you take a buy in a bearish trend? You buy the pullback. You buy the pullback. Oh, nice. Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah, keep me posted on that. The battle of the strategies. Bring out the whole ocean. Yo. Oh my god. Tell him
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Yo, we were goofy with these things back in the day, man. We were goofy. We were not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
Oh, man.
You're not that guy.
I guess I'm still goofy with it a little bit.
We would always do those.
Yo. Some of you guys are like,
Bruh.
Right.
yeah, man. We used to pull those all the time. I've been here forever. Word. All right, 1 minute here. Let's see what happens. Bring out the whole ocean. They're equal now. All right, let's see. Oh, time is our edge.
You're not that guy, pal.
Trust me, you're not that guy. All right, what's good? 15 minute. We're going to respect the highs. What are we going to do here? I'm going to break them. Going to close above. What do we do? Explain my trade today. Trade today was taken down here, 30-minute celery play. Previous 4-hour candle closed with no bottom wick. We had a bullish daily candle on our hands. 1 hour formed support. 30-minute threw up this playbook celery play. Volume was coming in here at 7 a.m. pre-New York. Took the buy. Was looking to hold until this area up here. And this candle closed with no wick at the top, so decided to close partials. The rest of it got hit at break even, and that was the trade. That was it. Yeah, will we continue pumping here on the 4-hour, man? Interesting, interesting. Let's see. We have a 15 closure coming up.
The daily still got room, so hey.
Yep.
Potentially.
Yeah, so let's take a look at this, right? So potential like 50 pip stops here. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick, and then I may have a buy stop on the break of these highs here. But gonna need a bottom wick. Would I say it's a good support? So it's a 15-minute support, but it's okay. It's okay. I think this candle, so if we sit tight on 930 here, right? We will have a candle that is going to determine, I believe, which direction we're going. So if this guy breaks the highs, right, and then closes above, 930 should pop, right? But if this candle here at 915 decides to close bearish, then at the break of that 4-hour low, I think there's some good opportunity, right? If we close like this. So that's why this candle here is very important to us, because then we could have either sell stops on the break of the lows while this candle comes down, right? And then you got clean range coming down here. Or if the candle closes bullish, it closes above, and what does it do? It's a breakout slash onion play, breaking those highs, breaking the 4-hour highs. You got a breakout, and now we can take our, you know, buy stops at the break of the 4-hour high there. So yeah, this is a big candle here. I think I'd rather wait for this closure and then go from there. Closure above, we're in there. Sells, closure above, we take our buys. And while waiting for this, price may run. So you got to settle it in your mind right now. Are you going to wait, or are you going to take the trade on the break of the highs or lows? So settle that in your mind over the next minute, and then go ahead and make your decision. I think my decision is going to be buys above 24.50 on a closure. I'm sorry, sells below 24.50 on a closure, and then buys above 24.53 on a closure. And that's pretty simple. So what's it going to be, chat?
Trade made simple.
Are you going to take the buys here, or are you going to wait some time, potentially miss the move, but get a better read on price? Oh, clone. What are you doing, bro? There we go. Doing well, dog. All right, cool. Clone this one. And that's basically the newest, updated, freshest zones analysis I got for you. Okay. I'll wait. Nice. Nice, nice.
Waiting game.
James, because I very rarely like entering on a flip. I like when the 4-hour comes up and creates its wick, right? So now I got a high here. So the flip doesn't necessarily mean anything. Once you have a high though, right? So let's say it flipped, made a little high up here, then came down. That's a better entry now. So now you're actually entering on the break of a certain high or low, which is going to indicate volume coming in. So yeah, that's why I don't really do that, because we may just make a top wick and then start to drive down here. So like a steeper, like a wick like that, and then drive down. So anytime you can get a high or a low to enter on, like a high here, or let's say like a low, let's say like here on this candle, it's best to use those. It just adds like a little piece of confluence. A little bit of confirmation. So volume should start rolling in here right now, right? So 9:15, 9:30 is where volume's going to kick up. I'm just going to save this and mark this off as a no trade range. Anything above that, we've got super clean candles to the left. Anything below it, you got super clean candles to the left on the downside. 4-hour highs, 4-hour lows. So we got price surrounded here.
And you're cool with sells just because it's the 4-hour bottom wick? Because I know the 4-hour and daily are both bullish.
Yep, that's true.
That's why you're down for the sells, right? Because the 4-hour bottom wick,
Yeah.
you're anticipating of.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Waiting game, y'all. Nas selling off. Let me look at Nas. Oh, damn. 4930. All right. Yo, chat, anyone take those buys off the 30-minute? I'm waiting here. Let's get only bands. Yeah, I'm waiting here. I need a bit more information. We're a bit too high here on the chart for buys for me on the 30-minute. Yeah, good luck if you're in buys. Good luck.
Hey, has anyone seen green today? Where's my boy at?
I have it. Nope.
Yo.
Yes, sir.
MG. Yeah. NASDAQ.
Let's get green.
There he is. There he is. It's getting worried, man. I was about to call you. Man, been here before me. Damn. Shorts here would be the less probable. Yeah, yeah. So you'd be basically looking to target like 44 for like a 4-hour bottom wick, right? If you break that low there, you should push down a little further. The next level or range on, like, let's say the 15, I think would be to give this candle a bottom wick. I'd probably look to go break even right around this area, which is 47. Right at that point, let's say you get a closure. Let's say you can enter around 49,840. You got about like a 25, 26 pip range, and then about a 50, 55 pip range. Yeah, but the buys obviously look a little cleaner because you've got the 4-hour on your side. You've got the daily on your side. You got this 1-hour wick to fill. We know that wicks get filled during high times of volume. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. This is about a, 44 pip range here.
We shall see.
Can I trade on my account yet, man? Like, what's good?
Wait, so let's go your trade over there. Mine's working.
For some reason, it's not. I turned it on. I closed it out, opened it back up. For some reason, it's not allowing me to place the order.
And you're on the right chart, right?
Yep.
That's
See?
weird.
There's no. It's very weird.
What the hell?
Yeah, I mean, I could trade it on my Top Step account.
Doesn't make any
That's fine.
sense.
I gotta figure out what's happening with TradingView. Maybe my broker, like,
Hit
I
up.
don't know, something.
Hit up support later.
I'll holla at support later.
Bye.
Where the likes at? Where are the likes at? Let's see where the likes are at. Let's see. 423. Hey, can we get to 500? Y'all left me on 444 yesterday. Well, 443, and I made it 444. Come on, man. Nah, the data didn't expire. This is the new chart. This is the Z chart here. It was literally working yesterday. Yeah, like I took trades yesterday on this account. So I'm not too sure what happened here.
That's weird.
My data should be on like auto renewal also. From TradeOvate? Okay, yeah, I'll take a look at TradeOvate.
Yeah, mine got renewed yesterday. So.
Oh, yeah, you know what? I lost my wallet. That's exactly what happened. I lost my wallet, so I got new debit cards and credit cards and all that coming in, so it probably tried to charge that card. Yeah, that's definitely what happened. Okay, that makes total sense.
Damn, okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Pay the fee.
Problem solved.
I gotta pay the fee.
Problem solved.
Yeah, I think the cards should be here today. They said 7 business days, so we'll see. Yeah, if it renewed yesterday, then that makes total sense. Total sense. All right, cool. We're re-breaking the 4-hour high here now. This is good. 9:30 May juice. Pay the fee. Yeah, man. They said no. Wow, that makes total sense. I can't believe I didn't think of that. Let's see here. Didn't pay the fee. Word, Tills. I didn't pay the fee. Does anyone know if Nick offers VIP group signals? I do not. I do have a VIP group, but we don't give any signals. Like, think of it like we don't give any fish. We wanna give you a study and a course on how to fish. Yeah, and you can fish with us too. Am I trading futures? I am, yeah. I'm trading both. All right, perfect. So we broke this wick now. That's the previous 4 hours. So if this thing could stay put for us, leave us a wick on top, then buys look pretty good here. Yeah, I trade both. I trade forex and futures. We're giving out fishing poles. All right, let's see. Well, we wait 3 minutes.
Did you not like the 30-minute wick fill because we were so high up?
Yeah, pretty much. Nearest support is where? Way down here. Right? So we need at least some 15-minute range and then a breakout. And volume. We need volume bad. We shall be fishers of men, my friends. Yeah, we're gonna be diving deep in this new this is like my passion project. Really pouring into the right people and people that I could see me spending, the next years with and doing some cool stuff together, even like outside of trading in general. Gold needs to wait 3 minutes. 2 minutes now. 2 minutes. This is lovely, man. This is lovely. It's gonna be the best trade of our lives. Immediate drawdown. No! Did he say this was going to be the best trade of our lives? Yep. Let me go over here. 1 lot. Delete. 10 lot. Perfect. Stop's got it! Oh, man. Do I share stop loss and TP? Yes. I'll share that here, too. So, basically, like, what this trade... So, there's 1 minute here, right, for this trade. So, potential buying opportunities if we close above the range here. So if we do that, then this is what my trade's going to look like, right? I'm going to wait for the candle to make a lower wick. My stops are going to be sitting below this previous candle, about 32 pips. My advantage point in this case is going to be about 40 pips. So from that point above there is you have more clean range, I would say, running up towards 61 here if this daily 4-hour really wants to juice. So that that area over there is just my advantage point. So if once we hit this zone here, that's where I'm gonna look to close partials and then just let the rest run till like these areas. So that's what my trade would look like. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to take it over
Yeah, I'm holding
here
till
to-
61.
Till 61. Okay, we're gonna get a big dog out of this or what?
930, bro.
I'm actually
30.
angry. I'm a little angry that I can't enter this on this account, but I'll enter it on my top one account or top step and top one.
Yeah.
Boom, boom. All right, so let's delete this for now, and if we end up getting in, then we will go from there. What high am I using? I'm gonna see if this next candle can pop out for us and make a high, and then the break of that high will be my entry. So it looks like we are gonna close above. If we can pop up real quick and then kind of come down a little bit, don't leave without us. Don't leave without us. Yeah, and then what you can do for stops is you can, whatever you want to do, you can use previous candle or you can use current candle. Yeah, so I'm going to have a buy stop here on the break of the highs.
Are you going to use 15-minute stops or what?
Yeah,
Or 30, previous 30 or previous 15?
Yeah, previous 15 down here. Yep.
Right, I like that better.
All right, cool. All right, and that's it. That's the trade. Boop, boop, am I in? Yeah, I'm in. Yep.
See if I have time to take this on personal.
All right, cool. All right, sweet. Yeah, I'm in this. We'll see what happens here. Let's see here. 9:30 Chica. Nobody knows nothing. Yeah, we got to take this. It's a breakout. We're bullish on the daily. We're bullish on the 4-hour. If we lose this trade here, it'll be a great loss in my opinion. If we win this trade, it'll be a great win here, just acting on edge. Yeah, we have volume coming in. It's going to push us one direction or another, but we definitely do have volume coming in. Shuttle letting... to the moon? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I'm activated. Yep. Chat's quiet. Chat's gone quiet.
Chat quiet.
I told you, little drawdown, don't over risk. Yeah, if you're not activated yet, what you can do,
bro.
Yeah, is you can set buy stops on the break of the highs. So you can use maybe current, wherever this low comes to, you can use current candle low, and then if we re-break the high, that could be your entry.
Yeah, that's where mine's at.
They nerves.
Just another trade, y'all. Probabilities game here.
Yeah. it's
Whatever
the
happens,
probability.
happens. We don't get paid off of this one trade specifically, but we get paid off of a series of trades exactly like this. That's how we get paid.
Pretty much. All right, looking good. Lovely. So we're going to go break even here on this trade. So no more risk on the table at all. And now we just let it run. We broke the highs. No need to risk anymore on this trade. And let's see if we can take off. Full margin. Oh, man. Yeah, we should be good to take off. You guys can close partials, whatever you'd like to do. We're sitting 18 pips in profit. My partial is going to be up here at 35, and that's going to be my trade. The rest of it, 61.
How many pips you up?
Up 20 pips. I was I think I've seen like 18.
How many pips was it from the current high that you got in the previous high?
I think that was like 9. 8 or 9. Yeah, so you should be, I think Alea is up. Yeah, you should be risk-free at this point. No more risk on the table. And let's see if we can keep pumping here with this bullish bias we got. 930 volume coming in.
Yeah, 4-hour and daily both bullish too. So
How do you work partials? Do you hit a sell stop? Yes. Yeah, you got to put like a sell order sitting right here, or wherever you'd like to. Yeah, 24 pips. See if we can keep pushing. What a start to the month. Yeah, good start to the month. Let's see if we can keep rolling here on this trade. TP for me, yeah, so partials for me is going to be right here at whatever this is, at 57. So 57 is partials, and then and that's going to be that resistance to the left here. So once we tap into that resistance, I want to close some of my position there and then let the rest run. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Runners still running. Hey, yo, if you got runners from earlier, damn. That's nuts. That's nuts.
that's a W.
W. 20 pips. Nice, nice. 20 pips. Thank you for scamming us again. My pleasure. My pleasure. Hope you guys all made money today. Let's see here. We got news. Yeah, we do have news coming in here at 10, I believe, right? 10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Yes, sir. I believe so.
Oh, 9:45 too. We got 9:45 news in 10 minutes here.
All right, bet. Bring in some more volume.
Awesome, awesome. TT scams are the best. Yeah. Hope this doesn't go back to BE. Me too. Me too, brother. Me too. But if it does,
yeah, we don't need to talk about that.
It is what it is. All right, perfect. Gonna close partials right here, gang. Right there at 30 pips. So just close 80% of my position at, what was it? 30 pips, 31 pips, and easy peasy. Another one.
Another one.
Another good trade. On to the next. I've been here for over a year. I've been scammed many times. That's why I'm still here. Oh, man. All right, partials have been taken here at 31 pips, and then we'll see where the rest of it goes. Stops are at break even. Chilling. Making some money. If you made some money here today, type a W in the chat.
Yeah, I got B on that.
Nice. Yeah, your entry is a little later, right?
Yeah, previous high.
How much money did you guys make? Let us know how much money you made. Yeah, good trade. Good trade, good trade. So we waited patiently. All right, let's break that trade down in a second. Talk about what it is that we looked at, why we entered, why we exited, what we were looking for, how we kind of really rolled up and strolled up on this trade. That's what we want to talk about here really quick. So let's talk about it, right? So we had the 4-hour candle. So we had a bullish daily bias, right? Daily bias is bullish here today. As you can see, we closed very strong yesterday with more room to run up here. So we are bullish on the day. The 4 hour, right? Let's track back to when we first got to the stream, closed bearish, right? So this 4 hour leg down, what this represents is it represents the daily candle's bottom wick, right here. So, you know, we took early buys from up there and then closed them, but now let's lead up to the trade taken here. So we had this 4 hour candle close now, and where did that 4 hour close? It closed where? Above the range, right? It's closed above the range here, above support. Therefore, you should have clean moves coming up towards these levels here, right here. You know, one of these somewhere within that zone, right? To fill this wick to the left-hand side. So that was the idea of potentially the new 4 hour candle moving up. We chilled out. Let me bring back the zones here. We chilled out. We scaled down to the 1 hour. 1 hour was a little choppy, right? So we didn't want to take our buys right off of the 1 hour because we closed below resistance. We were keeping an eye on this range here, 2450, to potentially take sells to snipe out this 4 hour bottom wick. Price had other plans. 30-minute candle closed above. 15-minute candle closed above. You had clean range to the left-hand side. You had volume coming in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, textbook trade. Yeah. Yep. Simple. So got what, 20 or 31 pips on it, and almost maybe break even here. We'll see. So I secured 80% at this level right here. Yep, clean range to the left-hand side. That's all we're looking for. Volume. This range right here is this 4 hour wick, right? Looking for us to fill that wick with volume, and that is pretty much a trade. And that's me at break even as well. So break even hit, close 80%, W trade.
Yeah.
W. All right, let's mark August off here. Oh yeah, we got to jump down to 2024. All right, so first trade was taken 7 a.m. Oh, 7 a.m. 8-1. Wow, I can't believe we're in August. Can't believe we're in August. So gold buy, celery. Yeah, we got a new spreadsheet coming too here. Nice. Shout out to Scott.
Need that.
Shout out to Scott building out the new spreadsheet. Gold buy. All gold buys here today. Gold buy breakout. Break of current candle. 30-minute time frame. Full. 31. 31. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't know what I'm going to put in percentages. Probably just going to leave that total pips secured moving forward because I got 3 different accounts now, so I'm not too sure which one to post. All right, what do we do?
Bro.
We tapped into Advantage Point, and what do you know? Downtown we go. So that's why we have Advantage Points. That's why we look to secure profits, go break even at certain points, because we understand the way gold likes to move, right? So beautiful closure, and now whatever happens here happens.
And chat, we never, ever, ever want to turn a winning trade into a losing trade. That's the worst feeling ever. Like, all right, cool, I got BE, price continues to drive, okay, cool. But I get BE, and then price, I don't go BE, and then price hits my stop loss, then I'm feeling a little bit like eager to get back in and break my rules and a little upset, right? So never want to turn a winning trade into a losing trade, y'all.
Yep.
Exactly. Would rather get BE and price continue to drive than me take a loss.
Lovely. Yeah, good stuff. Wow. Who got caught holding the bag? Anyone?
Close coming in.
Screw the YouTube guy and his partial TP. 1-to-1 trader. Anyone? Nah, this may still be making a lower wick to continue juicing. We still have plenty of room to go on the daily, so we'll see what happens, right? We still got all the way up towards like 68 here on the daily time frame, so we'll see. We will see.
But where was your entry, Nick? Like 54?
My entry was yeah. My entry was on the, where was my entry? This candle had made a top wick, and then that's where I had my entry. Just put a buy stop there. We had like a little wick, and then we broke the high, and I think we came down to make a steeper wick, right? And then rebroke. Yeah, W. Good work.
Yeah, W trade, W.
Very simple, right? Very simple, gang. No need to jump up and down. No need to pump your fist. Just another trade on the board. I didn't get FOMO. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have FOMO, to be honest, on my personal account. I got a little FOMO because I wanted to take that trade. That was a good trade. I only do what the YouTube trader tells me to do. Yo. Oh, man. What up, DJ Scratches? What up, YOLO Trader? What's good?
YOLO.
You still looking for longs only? No, I might be flipping the switch. So we're back in the range here. So there's nothing to do now. We could adjust this support. I'm sorry, we could adjust that resistance there and say, okay, well now this is your range on the 15 and we'll see what happens here.
I need to do a fresh analysis.
Yeah. Yeah. It could be so the 4 hour, if it re-breaks the low, that's you know, that's important, right? This daily candle could start to flip bearish here and close like this, right? So if we don't retest that resistance here today, we may end up moving down and closing bearish, right? And then that would be your new higher low, right? So you have a high, a low, a high, and then maybe tomorrow NFP brings us down. Ain't down, save it. Screenshot it for tomorrow. You never know. You just never know. All right, any good questions here? Can we wrap up the day with some good questions? Let's go, let's go. My cup is full. It's ready to run over. When should we be on the lookout for the fade? Anytime you're in a zone like that, you know, this one, you know, we're in that 4 hour rejection area. That was the only thing that was scaring me about the 4 hour a little bit, is that we were in these rejections, right? But once you have that closure, you know that you should fill at least that range up to 57, right, before rejecting, and that's exactly what happened there. So the way you look for a fade here is, I would say, this is a wick, so I haven't really done it too much on the wicks, but let's just say that was like a strong resistance level. Then we can start looking for potential opportunities for the fade up there. Yeah, I think at this point now we just wait on a closure below, and then there may be some sells, but unfortunately no fade today.
Yeah, because you could say that 4 hour is tapping a level, you know, where there's rejection going on. So sells are not looking bad.
Yeah. So the other way you could have caught a fade here was maybe on the break of that initial low, remember? But you would have went into drawdown for a little bit, but maybe you could have kept your stops above 4 hour highs or something like that, and then you'd be in so you'd be in a little drawdown, which we've done that before, right? So we didn't take the buy because we were overextended here, and we ended up waiting for this to push up and then enter on the break of the low. I just didn't want to switch my bias so fast like that here today, but yeah, that would be that could definitely be something to consider for potential fades when we're looking at what's in front of us here. Yeah, that new elite is gonna be next level, man. We're gonna do afternoon trading too. So we're also gonna have new elite members, people who I feel are up and coming, people who I feel like, are, getting it. We're gonna have them up there with me, and there'll probably be a bigger, John will be there some days, some other TT traders will be there, and we'll just be hanging out. It'll be a very chilled out like TT TV type of thing, and we'll be taking trades during the afternoon. Power hour, baby.
Get it.
Power hour. Who wants to trade power hour with us? And the only reason I'm considering this is because I really have been seeing a lot of moves here later on in the day. Yeah.
Say less.
Yeah, just like Top Step TV. So Top Step TV is the model that I'm looking to emulate. Yep. Tell us about your first trade. That was a 30-minute celery play right here. Took my entry here, 4-hour close and no bottom wick, bullish daily bias, entry on the break of the highs, was targeting 24.41. This candle closed at no top wick, ended up closing the trade or 80%. Runner got hit at break even. Second trade, waited for this move up, waited for some consolidation, 4-hour candle to close, 15-minute close above. Took an entry on the break of the current candle high, closed 80% at the top of the range, got stopped out at break even. I seem to look at the 5-minute time frame to execute, but I struggle to adapt the playbook on the 5-minute. Any advice? Yeah, don't use the 5-minute. Stick to like the 15-minute, stick to like the 30-minute, and that's going to be your best friend when it comes to this. The 5-minute will present you a bunch more opportunities. The only issue is you're going to get in early a lot of times or late a lot of times because the 5-minute's not as accurate, in my opinion, as like a 15 or really a 30-minute time frame. So you'll get a lot of fake outs on the 5-minute, where if you would have waited, let's say on like a 30-minute, you won't see that. You'll just see a beautiful candle the way it should look. Yeah, and
Yeah,
look,
facts, bro.
if you spend time there though, like, and you have data and data collected, I mean, that's a whole, like, that's all you then, right? But if you're kind of slipping up and things aren't panning out properly there, then I would just stay to like 15-minute or 30-minute. What up, man? That was my boy. What
Yep.
you got? You got pizza for me? Ah, you put hot sauce on it, you crazy boy.
Maverick.
Maverick put hot sauce on my pizza, crazy boy. Did you have a good sleep? Where's everyone at? I think homie just walked out the room. Oh. Hot sauce. You didn't tell me there was hot sauce, bro. Money Mav.
Maverick. Money Mav is a good name. I like that. Good nickname. Could it be possible for price to push down if we close below the range? Definitely. Anything's possible. Facts, Wags. Facts. Maybe Mike, we'll see, man. I think Nick's gonna let them do whatever they want, pretty much. Whatever their purpose is, he's gonna support it. Yeah, we got news in 7 minutes here, y'all. 10 a.m. news. I'm not in any trades right now. Just patiently waiting, observing the markets, trying to get more information from the markets as well. Made my first 362 bucks on my funded account. Let's go, bro. God is good. Hey, God is good, bro. I love your name, but that's awesome, man. Keep at it, bro. And congrats on that, bro. It's a great accomplishment. Yeah, facts, Melly. We got to keep those profits, man. Yes, sir. J4 Trades. Yes, sir, bro. Hey, your perception is your reality, bro. Believe it. Yeah, I'm still looking at this 15-minute range. We're just bouncing back and forth from. Yeah, I'm glad I went B there.
Yeah, good job.
I think that's great management. Trying to preserve my capital here. Stuff like that.
Yeah, good job. Good work, good work. Will you take another buy? I think I'm gonna wait for news here and then go from there. I think we got red folder coming in, right? Yeah, hey, did that? I think 945 pushed us a little bit there, no? 940. No, it didn't actually. That was just the tail end of 9. That first 15-minute candle before the news. Let's go. Let's go. First day of the month, 3 wins, 700 bucks. Let's go. Yeah, I think I'm up about 550 on the day. A little 550.
Nice, bro. $550 just growing effortlessly. Man, didn't even work for that.
Little 550, little 550.
Plus 500 proof in your account. Let's get it.
All right, let's see. Poof. I mean, just think about what we do. We basically just pull money out of nowhere.
Bro.
Right? Like poof, like we just pull money out of thin air. That's the opportunity you have here.
My man's just printed money.
Literally. What's your prediction for the news? I don't have one. I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea what's going to happen with the news. I'm just going to follow price action here. I know that one thing I do know is we're ranging on the 15 here, so we'll see what happens. I know that the 4 hour is still pretty bullish. I know that the daily is still pretty bullish. I know that the 30-minute is undecided, and that the 15-minute's stuck in a range. So that's all I really know. Other than that, I really have no other prediction. I could be like, you know, the economic crisis coming down to about 1.461644. The price should sell off, and yeah, you should probably start taking your sells right now. I mean, I would be lying if I said that.
Mans would be lying.
I created a funded account in top 1, C Trader. Nice. Yeah. You start with like a demo phase. Yep. Let's go.
Peace out, Energy. Have a great day.
Later, Energy. See ya. Good trade. Way to take a good trade and go. Not a bad idea.
Am I married? Funny question, Muhammad. Under God, yes. Under the government, no.
So are you married? That's the question.
Yes, I am.
Oh, wow.
Under God.
When's the end of the demo phase? Never. Pretty much when you pass phase 2, then that's when you can start getting paid for the profits you make. Yeah. Oh, I don't know which phase you bought. I'm not sure if you bought a phase 1 or phase 2, but whichever phase you bought, once you complete that, then you'll get to take profits. All right, later, Energy. Made 1K today. Let's go.
Oh, 1K. That's what's up.
How young are you, Nick? 34. 30. Yeah, 34. All right, 50 seconds for the news.
Bro, honestly,
here.
we need to stop counting our age.
54. I'm 50. I'm 519 years old.
Not even halfway at the lifetime point, bro.
Let's say we see a lot of people. Let's say you live about 100 years old. A lot of people give up and let's say it's 100 years. So let's say 25 times. So you got 4 quarters like a basketball game, right? Imagine a basketball team giving up in the first quarter because they're down a little bit. Come on, man. Most of you guys are still in the first quarter of your life, giving up as if you've like lived this entire life already. You know what I mean? You're still chilling in the first quarter. You're down by a couple points. So what? Who cares? Right? Make some improvements, hit the locker room, come back, do your thing. Yep. Just win.
Just win.
There we go. There we go. Gapped up, huh?
Yep.
We do a little gapping.
Little gapping. Just win. Let's go.
Right? If we played a 4-quarter basketball game, you wouldn't give up on the first quarter, would you?
Unless you were a quitter.
Just because you're down by a couple points. It's light. It's light. You got all game. You got plenty of time on the clock.
Plenty of time, bro.
Why the gap? Probably because of the high impact news. Red folder here. Yeah, look at that. Running, baby. Running.
Yes,
look
sir.
at her run. Look at her run. Yeah, we were all buys here today. So 2 buys taken today. 1 down here, 1 over here. Lovely. We had a great read on price here today.
Yeah, good stuff, bro. Nice trade in the morning.
Yep. Patience, right? Chilling, not forcing anything, waiting for exactly what we want to see. And that's how you make money and keep it.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Like we
hey,
always
man,
say,
Nick.
Anyone can make it. You know, it's just who can keep it.
When we were struggling like crazy, Nick, didn't we dream of days like this? Like, oh, 2 beautiful setups, patiently waited. We're very disciplined. Like we used to dream of those days, right?
Yep, we did.
And it wasn't until you got to become that person, right, to attract that reality. So that's what we started to do. We just became that professional trader. We became that trader who waited and was patient and disciplined to his plan and had a probabilities mindset. Yep. You know, you just got to become it so you can attract it to you.
Yep. We acted as if we were already professionals. Therefore, in the process, we became professionals. It's a beautiful thing, brother. Beautiful thing.
Earl Nightingale says, act a part that you want to become, and you will become that which you want to be.
Yep. Called it a day. All right, let's go, George Pope.
So what you got going on today, Nick?
I'm actually hitting the tattoo shop, so I gotta spend like 7 hours over there. Oof. Gotta do some stuff with the elites real quick after the stream, and then heading out.
Beautiful, bro.
What about you?
Then bet my man. None, man, just chilling.
There's our
full target. With Maddie. See what's up. Maybe go to the pool. Full target coming. Yeah, that's where I was holding until 61.
Full target.
Didn't get it though. Didn't get it though. All good. I'll come back tomorrow and run it back up.
Yes, sir.
Bet, bro. So then give me a shout later.
All right, brother. Have a great day.
Right. Thanks, bro.
For being here.
Well. Yes, sir. Thanks for having me.
See you mañana.
See you later, bro.
Later.
Chad, I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Peace. There he goes. There he goes, and he's off. Anybody, what we got, man? Any good questions? We got a little bit of time. If you guys got really good questions, I'll sit here and chat. If not, I'll go hang out with Maverick and my wife and wait for Layla to pull up. But I'm down for some questions for a few minutes if I can help you guys out in any way. Was the trade on the chart? Yeah, it was. Yeah, I had it on this one. Yeah, about a $529 day. Yeah, I usually you'll see me take my trades on here, but I didn't pay the fee. I didn't pay for my my data this month. I lost my wallet and had to get different debit cards. So I guess the billing was yesterday, because I was taking trades yesterday, and then this morning when I tried to get in, it wouldn't let me. So then I realized the billing was yesterday, and that they probably tried billing my other card. So I'm like, I'm a little FOMO on this account though. Not gonna lie. What's the ticker for gold? It's gonna be the Z, right? The Z one, yeah. GCZ24. Do I have a daily money target? Nope. My only daily target is to show up and really just look for the best trade. Like, stay patient, take it trade by trade. I'm not really focused on making like X amount of dollars or X amount of pips. I really don't want to force anything. I want to honestly just come to the desk every day to observe the markets, and if you know, it calls me into a trade, meaning if my playbook or anything like that pops up, then I'll go ahead and take a trade. But my main goal is every day is not to take a trade. It's just to observe the markets for what they are, learn how to get a better read on them, and then if my playbook pops out, then I execute and take trades. So whatever that trade is, it is. You know, in today's case, we had about, what was it, about like a 20, 30 pip range. So today once I had that in, once I had the closure, now my goal became 30 pips, right? Because that was the range there. So I let the market give me my money goal and my pip goal by the range that's available. So whatever that is, if this was 10 pips, it would be 10 pips. If it was 100 pips, it would be 100 pips. Today it just happened to be 30, and that was my only goal, was to secure profits right around that 30 pip mark, and then sit back, let my runner go, or just wait for the next best trade. What would happen with the old elite program? I think what we're going to do is we're going to kind of create some sort of like an add-on. So if you want to add on like the personal, like the way that we still do it, where it's just one-on-one you and I, then you have an option for that. Let's see here. Got you, Christian. You're one of a kind, man. What prop firm do you like? I like Top Step for futures, and then Top One is by far the best forex prop firm in my factual opinion. No, let's see here. How to be a funded trader? Sign up for an account and then just find out what their targets are and then hit them. How to improve your analysis? Just repetition. Repetition. As you guys see, you guys can go back to every live stream we take, go like 10 minutes in, and you can watch a full top-down analysis in detail over and over and over again, and then really just start implementing that. There's a video I did here on YouTube. I think it's called How to Tell a Time Frame, How to Tell a Story. This one right here. I would highly recommend checking this video out here, is where I break things down in terms of like building out your analysis, looking for your positions, waiting for familiar price action, and really just telling the story from each time frame. Yeah, it's probably a pretty helpful video for you. Ah, man, remember when we were in these ranges here? Who remembers when these were our all-time highs and price just kept, literally just kept rejecting? That was such a good time. Those are great times. Let's see. Can we get to 550 likes? Yeah, can we? When can we expect more elite details? Probably next week. Yeah, next week. I think we got one spot left. Yeah, we had 2 spots for this month when we started the stream, but I think there's one more left unless they're all filled now. I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Yeah, in that video, I'll have to make a new video on session bias and analysis. Yeah, you're right. Do you already have a rough prediction for the next tournament? Yes. Yeah. I think we're actually ready to roll that out. Yeah, it's gonna be we're gonna do like a $10 buy-in, so that way the winner can win a couple $1,000. So it'll be like a $10 buy-in. Last time we had 800 people sign up. If we had 800 people sign up at a $10 buy-in this time, the pot would be at $8,000. So we'll give like 10% of that away to charity, and then the rest is the winners, right? So we're talking like $7,200 for the winner. So we'd rather do that versus giving you, and we could switch back and forth and stuff, but we'd rather give you guys a big fat cash prize than just an account. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna compete either. I don't think we're gonna have you guys compete against traders. I just think we're gonna have it's like more so like a golf, like where you just play your own score and then see if you can stay on the top. When's the next TT meetup? We could do one August 8th in Miami if you guys are out there. I'll be in Miami, but other than that, maybe we'll do one in Tampa come like not the winter time, but like the fall. Yeah, if you guys are in Miami on the 8th, we may be able to do something. I know I'm a link with celerey and maybe a couple other guys. So if you guys want to pull up, let us know where you're at, and we'll let you know where we're at. I wouldn't mind an account. Yeah, I think so let's just say we have the same outcome as last time. The winner, if we give all of the money to the winner, the #1 seed, then he or she gets to walk away with about $7,200. And then what we'll do is for seed 2, 3, and 4 is we'll give you guys like 100K accounts. Come to Europe? Yeah, maybe in 2025 is probably a better shot. In the beginning of the new year, we can make our way down to Europe. Yeah, so you really didn't get any closure outside of that 5. So yeah, nothing really. Money prize is fire because yeah, you can put in your own personal account, you could pay your bills, you can really do whatever your heart so desires. Yeah, TK almost bought the plane tickets, man. Yeah, we'll do NYC, Sandman. Yeah, I wanted to get over there this year, but I'll probably get over there this year, but I don't know, we'll see. I haven't been to New York now in like a year, so I need a bacon, egg, and cheese, man. I need a bacon, egg, and cheese. I'll cross the border. Come to Thailand? I'd love to. Is that where you're at, Ecom Dre? Wow. Where are you from originally? Take over time and Times. Yeah, TT take over Times Square. Wow, it's like a tongue twister. TT take over. Yeah, man. Yeah, we'll be in New York. Well, we'll definitely. Our first original TT meetup was in New York. Yeah, we did that last year. Salt, pepper. Yo, you gotta have the SBK. We got a bacon, egg, and cheese SBK. West Coast meetup. Yeah, that's coming too. Yeah, I haven't been to Cali in a little bit, so would love to take a trip out west. Nah, I ain't going to Delhi Central anyway, Green. I'm going to Mountain View, bro. Delhi Central. Fast until 1 p.m.? Yo, I'll be fast until 5. No food till 5 for me. Actually, Yeah, maybe not even 5. Yo, Magnus, yeah, that would be dope, man. That would be dope. You're in Denmark, right? You said? It would be cool to come out to London and maybe like go out to the UK. I think a lot of you guys are from the UK. I think the majority of you guys are probably from the UK, I would say. UK, stand up. Yeah. Hey, Magnus, was that you that bought the Elite? You're in? You registered? I know someone did. I didn't see who it was. In Denmark, yeah. Yeah, Denmark would be sick. Yeah, we'll have to do something out there. Go to the bake. Yo, I heard there was the bacon, egg, and cheese is what? A food truck, right? I heard they were dynamite. Last year I was on Robinhood trading by myself. Let's go. Only bands. W. We're waiting for you in the UK. Yeah, I'm coming, man. I'm coming. I think that'll be my next bigger trip. Is gonna be out to the UK, because we just got too many TTE traders out there for me not to pull up. I'll probably bring my wife and my kids and all that. Bacon scramble and beans? I never had that one. Yeah, it was you? All right, Magnus, let's go, brother. I'm locked in, man. I'm ready to work. W. Shout out to Magnus, new Elite member. Let's go. Think I'll call it a day? Yeah, I don't blame you. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome, James. See you tomorrow. India got a bigger fan. Yo, India, yeah, India might be. I don't know, UK or India. I'm not too sure which one's bigger. What NAS do? Nothing after that push down, huh? Yeah, gold stuck. Gold stuck. No closure below there, so no other trade for me. There's no platinos in the UK. Holy! India would be amazing, C Melly. What'd he say? And Africa. Wait, India? Yeah, Africa, yeah. Later, Chala. Have a great day, man. Gregski, you in London too? Yeah, London. I think London's my next trip. Africa may, yeah. Kenya. Ready to work like I told you? That's awesome, man. I love a man of his word. Let's get it. Me too, bro. Me too. Yeah, clinks happens, man. Yeah, it's like you take that win and you're just like not even satisfied with it, right? It's like I shouldn't have that win. No way. Let's see this. Words of wisdom just dropped a pod with the boy. Oh, man. Hey, chat. This is my man right here, Luke Belmar. This is going to be fire. This will be amazing. Nice. How many of you guys know Luke? Stud. August is about to be the best month of the year. I agree, man. I totally agree. I totally agree. It sucks, yeah. Yeah, I remember learning that from Swaggy C. I remember him saying, you know, there is such thing as a bad win. The thing about bad wins is, like, this is what most people do. So let's say like a candle close with no wick at the top, and then we teach, hey, you know, there's a lower probability, but they go, you know, screw the YouTube guy, whatever, and then they go ahead and take it, right? So if they're gonna take it, number one, this is the newbie minded trader, right? So they're gonna take it, but let's say they normally risk 3%, right? What they're gonna do is they're gonna say, well, there's no bottom wick or top wick, and I know it's against my rules, and I can't control myself because I don't know how to self-regulate, right? And then they go ahead and they say, well, you know what I'll do? I'll lower my risk here, so I'll only risk 1%, right? Since I'm going against my rules, right? So they go ahead and let's say the target is up here, right? Target's up here, and they go ahead and they go, okay, cool. I'm only risking 1%. And all of a sudden they start going into profit, right? Let's say their entry's sitting right here. Boom. Entry's here. And as they're moving, and by the way, when you're breaking your rules, maybe it's just me, but you're going to be very anxious. You're going to be very uneasy within that trade. So the moment that you begin to see any sort of profit, you don't want to lose this trade now. So what does the trader do? He closes early. He closes right there at the green line, right? Because it's fluctuating, it's going back and forth. He's like, I'm gonna just get out of here, right? And then what happens is once he gets out, this happens. He goes, damn, I knew I should have stayed in. Freaking YouTube guy don't know what he's talking about, right? I knew I should have stayed in. So now, the next time that happens, what does big homie do? He goes, screw the YouTube guy again. Screw the 3%. Last time this worked out amazing. I'm going to go 8%, 5%, something much bigger, right? Because last time it worked out. And I'm definitely not closing early this time, right? Last time we hit full target. I am not closing. I'm holding, you know? So this guy gets in right here. Price pushes up. He goes in profit. He goes, nope, I'm not being soft this time. I'm holding, baby. I'm holding. Hold up. Wait. Nope. Wait, hold up. And then all of a sudden, boom. Right? The market knows exactly how and when to get you. And that's it. You're done. So now you lost 8% and you got a nice lesson under your hand. So the moral of the story is don't break your rules, man. Just sit tight, wait for your best position. Right? And don't try and cheat the game and take basically wins that you're not going to be happy with. Yeah, it happens all the time. All the time. Just like that. Just rewind the stream later and just watch that a few times. That's how it goes. Who's been there? Just me? Just me? YouTube guy. Market come in. The market come in, hit you with a Mike Tyson hook. Boom. And then y'all blame me. Nick just described my past. Yeah, hey, at least it's in the past. Wow, look at this. Pushing. Yeah, no closure, so nothing for me there. Hey, look, clinks, right? Look, it starts to push down now. Now you're like, next time I'm holding, but not after that story. Now you're like, yeah. Everybody's done it. That happened today. Yeah. Story of my life. Alright, I thought I was the only one. I thought I was the only one who took losses here. Did that nonsense this morning. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing at you, I promise. I'm laughing at my own old self. Yeah. All right, what time is it, gang? I think that's it for us here today. I've enjoyed my time with you. I think it was well spent. We made some money. We made some progress. We learned some things. We got to see a lot of the webinar stuff play out right in front of our eyes, and I think it was a good stream. Yeah, we waited patiently for our opportunities. We were professional, right? What do we plan on doing today at the beginning of the stream? We just plan on having another day to be disciplined, patient, professional, and I think we did a really good job at that. I think we did a really good job displaying that today. And for those who are new, welcome to the pros, man. This is what the pros do. Pros take wins, they take losses, but they know how to handle things, right? So I think we handled things really well today. We took 2 positions. It was enough to get the job done, and I think we move on to tomorrow now. Yeah. Did that 10 minutes ago. Options, no. What up, options? Yeah, lovely stream today, gang. By the way, if you guys missed yesterday's stream, I'd highly recommend going back. Yesterday we really hit on some very, very important things I think will be beneficial to you guys. So I do highly recommend going back. And while you're there, leave the stream a like, man. All right. Awesome, gang. On your way out, sub to the channel, leave the stream a like. Mods, thank you guys. Chat, it's been a pleasure to be here with you guys today. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful, blessed afternoon or evening. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Later, G's.
I was down, but now I'm
Peace.
Yeah.
Later, gang.
This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Send me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox, had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen, I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it, yeah.